the SPY up and the AME's going down now? What? All right, people. Here we go. So AMC is at 18.12, down about 70 cents, 3.7%. GME's coming down a little bit. Oil's coming up, so I'm still holding these oil calls. They're basically flat, slightly in the green, slightly in the green. The oxys aren't doing so well, but if oil keeps going up like this, the oil stocks are going to go eventually. So just like we saw on Friday. So we'll see what happens with that. I think those Lucids that I got actually came down at some point. I think Lucid settled down. Yeah, so Lucid ended up settling down. So I'm not too mad about that sell that I had earlier. That was a nice little quick 70%. How you guys doing? You guys doing all right here? How did he wipe with the finger? What if I'm a lefty, Keith? What if I'm a lefty, buddy? All right, everybody. Yeah, make sure as you guys are filtering in, you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Amy, I mean, we're watching a lot of volatility in the market now. So Friday, Amy held up really good when the market was selling off. Now the market's coming up. Amy's coming down. Negative beta. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not late. SPY was a good sell today. Yeah, that was smart. It just didn't look like it was. See, that's sometimes when my paper hands are like really good. The finger, it's fine. I mean, it's probably screwed up, but like it's fine. I'm good. I'm chilling. All right. So Lucid doing its thing over here. SPY just kind of flickering right around the 200. If it gets a nice little closing candle above here and starts to rip, could see a nice little boom. 5-minute MACD looks like it's crossing down. How's BBIG doing? Biggie, how'd you do with this move? Nah, didn't really do too well. Amy trying to pop back up here. Same thing with Jimmy. Let's check where oil's at over here. Oil coming up 94.22 at 1.2%. Natural gas up 5.56% right now. Let's see. Since you reach for it with your right hand and cut it, you probably are right-handed. Nah, I reached with both hands. Trust me. I reached with both hands to try to get it. It was bad, though. It was bad. It's fine. I'll be fine. I might have to just amputate a finger real quick, but like we're good. You know, GME getting a nice little pop here. Let's see if we can get that 5-minute MACD cross continue on the way up. Let's get a little Ortex update over here. So wow, 3.9 million shares borrowed. Cost to borrow up a little bit. It's up a little bit, 1.63%. It's nothing crazy, nothing that we really want to see yet. But the high is 3.54%, which isn't bad. 21.83% estimated short interest over here. 112 million estimated shares shorted. Let's check GME really quickly and just see what this one's doing over here. So we got 100% utilization, 3.5% average cost to borrow here. Somehow somebody's getting paid to take out shares of GME right now. Pretty stupid. Estimated short interest on GameStop, 22.29%. That is huge, man. These short interest numbers are coming up. Woo-hoo-hoo, it's getting gnarly. USO, what's going on here? USO coming down with oil ripping makes a whole lot of sense. Just makes a whole lot of sense. Oil coming up, USO coming down. Nice. That's not how it works, but you know, we'll see what happens over here. That's kind of weird. Should I sell my AMC calls? You're already down 1.5%. What, dude? You're down 1.5% on calls? That's nothing. That's like a spread change really quick. I'm expecting SPY doom candles. It could. Watch it. If it keeps using this level at the 13 EMA as support, like it was using it as resistance earlier, we could see it start to come back up. But let's see what happens. I don't think we've got anything updated on the Fed meeting. 80 counterparties take 1.666 trillion at Fed reverse repo. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I was literally born with a congenital amputation. I don't have a right hand. I can give you some tips when that finger falls off. Keith, thanks, bud. I've learned something new every day. Keith doesn't have a right hand. Interesting. Oh, man. Yeah, you think SPY's coming down, avocado? I think so too. Or squirrel. I don't know which one to call you. All right, people. Let's have some fun today, huh? We're going into the close. We got oil doing its thing. Let's see what we got going on here. What was it? 94.26? 94.22. Still chilling. Let's see. Usually they lag a little bit, so we could see some boom booms on oil in a little bit. SPY trying to peek its head above the 200 still. Wednesday moon day. That'd be pretty fun. Like number 69. Appreciate that, Tyler. Rug pull incoming on the SPY. That'd be cool. Washington, D.C. removes vaccine and mask mandates. Moderna plunges. SoFi killed me today. Must hold. I ditched that quick. I was like, it didn't look good. It was coming up good on a little 1348, and then it just got busted all the way down. So I probably took it out. I think I ditched it on one of these candles right here. So we'll see what happens with it. SPY flickering. Amy down 3%. Still above 18 though. Pretty solid. Max Payne at 19 for the week. Shouldn't Oxy come back up? Yes, it should. That's kind of like what we saw Friday too. Remember, I was just yelling at Oxy. I was like, why are you not going up with oil? Well, oil was up like 4 or 5% on Friday. This is only like a 1.17% move in oil. It's still at 94.19. Like that's still high. I think oil can get up to 100, like WTI crude. I think we can see it at 100. And if that happens, these oil calls are going to go wild. So we'll see what happens with it. But, just kind of hold these oil YOLOs. Let's see. AMPTs unite. I'm missing an index and middle finger on the left hand. There you go. It's pretty wild. Maybe I'll join you guys sometime. It's Valentine's Day. Don't forget to lick that smack. Thank you, Casey. Appreciate that. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button too. Just helps out getting more people in here. BBIG and AMC or text, please. Yeah, I just did AMC and GME. So if you want to see those, just scroll back a little bit. And then BBIG over here. We've got, let's see what we got. 100% utilization on the threshold list, 282% average cost to borrow, 30% short interest. That's craziness over here. Craziness. Taking your girlfriend to the movies. There you go. That's nice. All right, let's see here. When is the interest rate announcement? March. Probably March. They'll say what they're doing in February. We'll get an announcement in February, but it won't be crazy. So we'll see what happens with it. I don't think they're gonna be I'm at IHOP. Can you get me something? Nah, I'm good, Leo. Thank you, though. I hope we see ankles, but probably not today. Yeah, I think it's possible that we get it by the end of the week. What did SPY go green? Yeah, SPY's in the green today, which is kind of interesting. Not gonna lie, it's very interesting. USO. Oil not moving here, but USO's coming up. Yeah, SPY's just chilling right around this 13 EMA, and we got about 40 minutes until we start to see the market go wild. That's usually when we see the market go crazy, last 2 hours of the day. Did the Fed talk already? Yeah, I didn't get any updates from it yet, so I haven't seen anything. So we'll see what happens by the end of the day, but just bought the Batman ticket to secure my NFT. There you go, buddy. Yeah, though I cannot wait to see Batman. What happened to AMC? Why not following the SPY? I mean, they unhinge sometimes, but it's weird. Like, when you think about it, the amount of shares that have been taken out against this thing is crazy. Now, we also could get news that the bond offering closes and then we rip. It's possible. What is it, today or tomorrow? We're supposed to get the closing of the bond offering. It's some of these at 38 minutes until margin calls. Amy selling again, making a new low. Let's see. SPY coming down. What? SPY goes up, Amy down, SPY down, Amy down. Nice. Awesome. Not a hedge fund. Funny guy over here. Funny guy. All righty. Let's see. Let's have some fun, everybody. So, what do we got going on? Bought my Batman tickets too. There you go. Ooh, Amy down below 18 real quick. Coming back spot. Oh, not a. Ooh. What do we got here? What about gold? What is gold and silver doing with this move? Gold coming up here. So gold just got a 1348 cross to the upside while the SPY's having a little bit of a disaster here. So we could be in for a nice little oil and maybe just commodities move. Let's see. Man, you YouTubers are really letting us all down. Mason, we have no idea how long this is going to take. It could take a while. I've been saying it's going to take a while for a while. But if you are sitting there not making money, sitting here watching the screen all day when there's so much opportunity for trades that we've taken all the time with 1348, then that's not really my issue. I'm doing everything that I can to give you guys the skills to make money in this market while we wait for AMC. I know a lot of people that after using 1348 have just made back the loss that they've had on AMC. So you got to take it into your own hands. We're all waiting here for it. Like we saw comments earlier where people were just like, "Oh, it's not like they didn't care about what the price does, but it's like I can wait for as long as I want now because I'm making money with these different trading strategies that we're talking about." So, I mean, you can look at it one of two ways. Like, yeah, we all want it to go, but in the meantime, come on, let's make some money here. So GLD's coming up a little. SPY's coming down hard. Little big candle over here. It's 1801. Let's see. All right. USO. We're getting an oil move over here. Oil coming down. Interesting. Imagine making your money on the oil industry. No thanks. Well, that's weird. I mean, that's like saying I won't buy calls on banks if they're ripping with rate hikes. Like, That's just silly. AMD crossed down on the 3, falling down towards the 200. Interesting. Yeah, SPY's not having fun right here. I guess the E-Trade baby won. No. The E-Trade baby's an idiot. Let's see. Not quite all losses. Cut my losses 25% for selling covered calls and some options trading. There you go, Mikey. Disco about to cross down. Yeah, I mean, a lot of things, especially with the SPY move. If you guys are in the premium Discord, that's going to send a lot of things crossing down. Why are EV stocks up today? I don't know. But let's see. I mean, Lucid was doing good. Rivian was doing really good. Tesla was doing good. I don't see any. Let me check the news on them. Benchmark, maybe nah. I mean, this is Q4 earnings preview, so I don't know if they're doing anything crazy over here, but SPY, it's trying to get back above the 48 over here. Tesla carrying them. Yeah, most likely. Let's see here. Yeah, also, as everybody's filtering in, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Where's oil? It's coming back down. Still high, though. Super Bowl ads were EV heavy. Yeah, in crypto heavy. It was a bit weird. I missed a bunch of them because I was deciding if I had to go to the hospital or not. SPY's trying to come back up here. Amy, 1802. And the other thing, Mason, guess what? The stock went from 14 or 13 to 18. If you decided to buy the dip, and what we all know is the stock is most likely I hate this rant time. So when you look at the short interest on AMC and GME, what have they done over the last couple of months? They have wildly increased the short interest on it, meaning they're flooding the market with supply. When that happens, the stock is going to go down. And the SPY's been having a little bit of a disaster. You can't blame us for the Fed coming out and being like, oh, shoot, sorry, inflation's at 7.5%. We're going to have to do like 1% of a rate hike and the market freaks out. Like, okay, cool. Now that in the technical since November have said it's going to go down. But if you bought the dip when it was at 14, you're up $4 a share. That's huge. Let's see. Time to slap the ask on AMC. Not financial advice. Trey's bottle of Kraken. Run it, bro. All right. SPY's trying to come back up here a little bit. Lucid's getting a little bit of a pop. Here we go. Oil back down. They literally reinforced our thesis. Not sure what there is to worry about. Exactly. And the thing is that we all know that there's a wild amount of potential manipulation, naked shorting, funny business going on with these stocks. And that's what gives the play the potential. That's why people call out these wildly high price targets, because anything's possible. So when you see them manipulate it down and we see us go from like higher levels to lower levels, it's not like, oh no, the play is dead. It's like, oh, they're doing exactly what we thought they were capable of doing. Can they do it forever? No. We've seen it many, many times. We sell off, we rip right back up. We sell off, we rip right back up. We're just waiting for that next big boom to come back in. Let's see. Let's see here. All righty. So 1806 on Amy, Lucid Chine. GME's getting busted up today, down $6. I mean, Amy's approaching those lower percentage levels. Same thing with GME too. I mean, they have a lot of shares that they can use on AMC and GME right now. Alrighty. So let's see. Where's oil? 93.92. Need SPY to touch 435. See, that's right around where I thought SPY was going to end up going when it was coming down here. But then the buyers just step back in. And we're like, nope, no, thank you. So we'll see what happens with it. It could rally back up, but it also could get very nasty on the downside into close. AMD is ripping. Ooh, chip makers going. All right. Yeah, AMD's getting a pop here. What about Micron? Micron, no. 1348 cross below, and we also have it below the 200 EMA. So that's not great on Micron over here. 160% on CAR. Avis, there you go. They have, what do you call it? They have earnings coming up soon. They definitely have the algo running. We'll be down 10% today. I don't know about that. It depends. The algos are always in the market, though, people. Here's the thing. I was watching some stuff the other day. It's not one algo. Like, there probably is one prevailing algorithm that is moving SPY and all of this stuff. in like a lot of other stocks. So when the SPY moves, it's going to move the other stocks. It's not necessarily due to algorithms. It's just those other stocks are in there. So when this moves, it's going to influence the other value of those stocks. But when you think about if one big institution is moving money around with a big algorithm, how is it going to react when it's trading against another big algorithm from another institution? Think about that. It's like, okay, so you have, let's say, just arbitrary institutions, BlackRock's algorithm versus comparable sizes. So BlackRock's huge. So Vanguard's algorithm, they're going to be different. They're not going to be the same. Amy is looking like it wants to break down below 18. Decent support over here. SPY's coming down. So when those algorithms are coming together in the market and just colliding, well, they could work against each other and balance out volatility, or they're going to move in the same way and push stuff in one way. You see what I'm saying? So when the algorithms are moving things around, yeah, our markets are completely run by computers now. Completely. It's not people sitting there at a market making desk delta hedging. Like, you can't do it. They're doing too much volume where on those little tick by tick increases, you cannot, it's impossible for them to buy and sell enough shares in order to delta hedge. It has to be run by computers. It's just, what do they do with it? They're probably not doing the right things with it, because we've seen how crazy our market is. YOLO SPY put up 50%. Big Dave, there you go, buddy. If AMC, it's not really negative beta. It's not. It's like people are looking at the 1 year beta and saying, "Oh my god, it's negative." But one, nobody uses 1 year beta. It's 5 year is what people typically use. The 5 years positive. Second, if you take out the two biggest gain days in AMC over the last year, the beta becomes positive. Those are outlier days that are like really influencing the stock. SPY breaks VWAP. What's VWAP? Yeah, SPY coming down hard. Watch it. Watch if it's going to cross on 1348. I mean, it's going to bring a lot of things down with it. What's oil doing here? Yeah, oil's trying to stay flat. DGAS F squeezed last year with no. DGAS F was not like a squeeze. It kind of squeezed, but it was a liquidity issue with Credit Suisse because they were supposed to delist it and they didn't. It's a weird one. That's not like a squeeze. It's a lot different than what you think it is. Let's see. My crypto trades are run by computers. I just let my algo trade and make bank. I'm not going to complain about others doing the same. Right. Let's see. Good old paper hands. No. Those SPY calls would still be horrendously down, or SPY puts would still be horrendously red right now. Your calls are dying. Be careful with them. Careful with them. I mean, what are the oil ones doing? What's USO doing right now? USO holding up all right here. I like that. Low prediction, like lows. I mean, it's doing all right. I mean, I think Lowe's, Home Depot, those stocks have earnings coming up. Those are pretty good on run-ups too, because you can mess with the deltas on them. The stock can just run, and your contracts don't even have to get close to the money. You can make a boatload of cash. Alrighty, people. It should be easy. Line up the buys and sells and match them. That's pretty simple to do. Right, Klein dropper. But here's the thing. They have a monetary incentive to not do it. It makes sense. Here's the thing. When you think about, if you were like, that's the thing. If I was in this situation at one of these firms and my job was only to make money, and you knew that there was a way that the market allowed for you to do all types of this nonsense, I almost guarantee you every single person in here would do it. It's the same thing. It's the same thing as saying, hey, if you were a senator, if you were in Nancy Pelosi's shoes and you were allowed to trade based off insider information, and you would have to pay a $250 fine, everybody would do it. I would do it. I'll be honest with you right now. If you said, hey, Vix, you can trade on insider information, and the worst thing that's going to happen to you is, one, public outcry, which you probably wouldn't care about if you're rich. And then two, you'd have to pay a $250 fine. Everybody would do it. Everybody would do it. Like, you can't say that you wouldn't, because I know a lot of you would. Why wouldn't you? It makes sense. It's just the way that the rules are set up that allows them to do this. So it needs to be a change in the regulation for them to be incentivized not to do it. It's all about incentives. It's like, what are people incentivized to do? That's what the tax code is. It's incentivizing you to do a certain thing. They will give you a break if you do things that the government deems as providing value. Exactly. Everybody would do it. Now, SPY's chilling right here. It got that big candle, but it's working its way back up. USO's coming up. So oil and natural gas, gold, all these different stocks might be making a move. Right. So that's the thing. Like, with these big market making institutions, It's just the incentive structure is out of whack. So that's why when people talk about these transparency rules that like this one thing is going to cause it, no, it's not. You're 5% of the way there until we could actually see these institutions actually be scared or have an incentive. That's okay. So here's the other thing. Remember, we saw the New York Stock Exchange come out with a couple of rules that they basically said we're trying to get more orders to the exchange. But the SEC, this is in the rule change. It says this is literally in the rule change. We don't want to regulate. We want to provide an incentive. So they were providing like better rebates or lower fees to try to get people to put their orders to the exchange. Because if you put a rule there and the penalty is 0, they don't care. But if you provide them a way to make more money by sending it where they're supposed to do, then they're going to do it. It all comes down to how much money they're able to make. Let's see. So SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Let's see. Oil moving down. Do you think the tiny bullish trend is over already for AMC? No, it's Monday. I think I'm just bad at this. My 1348 money is now down 8. Ooh, you shouldn't be, Trey's mustache. Oh, Trey's mustache got the squirrel. Yeah, I mean, it is very head fakey. It's very head fakey. So you got to be careful with it. Like, and watch the market. So there, you also have to figure out like which stocks you want to do it on. Like 1348 is very, very powerful. You got to make sure you're not holding things for too long and have a very tight stop loss. Be like, if it hits, get out. And same thing with your gains. It's like make sure you're taking profits when you're going. Trey's mustache, shoot me a message. We can go over some of them. Let's see. USO SPY trying here, not doing so well. Amy 1806, GME 117.56. Can we get some squirrels? The long-term members have the squirrels. Fed news, nothing yet, I don't think. Let me take a look. Let's see. 8 minutes ago, AMD. Nope. Nothing on the news. Nothing on the news. Amy 1807. Oil chilling here. I think we see 425 SPY by Wednesday for the Fed. The Fed meeting's on Wednesday, is it? What's on Wednesday? People were saying a lot of stuff about like something happening on Wednesday. What's happening Wednesday? What's going on Wednesday? Senators in Congress is not going to make regulation against themselves. Exactly. So the other thing is that one thing that we could do after we're done with this whole AMC stuff is just learn the rules and use them to our advantage. Am I disappointed with today due to the Super Bowl potential? No. What did you think the Super Bowl was going to do for the stock market? Oh, PPI on Wednesday? Gotcha. Oh, the FOMC meeting is this interesting. So Wednesday's going to be, didn't we just have one? I thought we just had one. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, as everybody's filtered in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Ooh, SPY's again. Trying to come back to life here. Let's see. Why is oil going down? Nothing has changed since Friday's run. In fact, the war is closer now. It's not. Oil's up. Oil's up 0.75%. It's at WTI crude's at 93.80. It's hit a high in the 94s today. So we could also see it run in the later half of the day too. Amy 1806. You can that's what it is. Fake news. Supposedly Russia invades Ukraine on Wednesday. They should have read the news. Nothing but that's what I think it is. I think it's nothing. So it could set up for a nice little pop in the overall market. You could be wrong. Yeah, I don't think there's an FOMC meeting then. Their spouses can trade too. Yeah. Yep. All right, everybody. So Amy 1804. Oh, here comes oil again. Yeah, they might have made. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna do it though. Like I've heard a lot of things where it's just like, no, they're not actually doing it. So we'll see. You're talking CVX, Oxy, and XM. Oh yeah. So those they went up a lot on Friday. Oh, it's the Fed. Okay, so here's the thing with the Fed minutes. We already know. Like we already understand. Like we've already seen the meeting. So anything that gets released, we should already know. So it shouldn't move markets, but the algos are gonna move. It's like that wasn't an emergency meeting. I think it was price. I think it was there for a while. Oxy's just stair stepping its way down over here. Let's see what Yuso's doing. Just chilling. Amy, 1804. SPY just kind of flickering around right now, down about a dollar, 0.22%. Nothing too wild. Is that a soup cup? No, it's a coffee cup. It's just big. AMC, that was so uncalled for. Yeah, but also at the same time, look at how many shares they have. 112 million shares estimated to be short, 123 million on loan. The percentage of the free float on loans, 24%. Like it's huge. Like they have 10 million, 11 million shares that they can use. It's crazy. Wait, I need my liquid IV. I'll be right back. It's right here. It's right here. I'll keep talking to you guys. All right. Hold on. It's right here. I'm getting my jug. It's right here. All right. Let's see. All right. Amy coming down. SPY moving. Where's TLT? TLT down pretty big. It rallied up a little bit here. I mean, the SPY and TLT are moving together, which is weird. Wall Street Bets sold their AMC. Who gives a shit what they do? They're just, it's not like come on. Let's see. SPY dead cat bounce before break yesterday's low. That would be, yeah, exactly. Wall Street Bets isn't a person. Exactly. You were gone too long. See ya, Dan. Screw you, Dan. All right, Amy, still chilling right around 18. Let's see if we can hold that as a level of support, even if the SPY starts really coming down. Thank you, everyone who mentioned the Batman NFT. Thought I missed it. Locked in. Patrick, there you go, buddy. All right, 1806 over here. Is Liquid IV tasty? Dude, it's the best thing in the world. It's the best thing ever. All righty then. So, Amy, 1805. SPY flickering here. Where's oil? Anybody doing anything fun for Valentine's Day? Government funding and oh, really? They're gonna spread that crap again? Can we touch SSR today? No, I don't want that. SSR is useless. SPY pop. Let's get you. So where's BBIG? How's it doing with all this nonsense? Down 1.5. So I mean, it was at 80. Yeah, 78, 65. Yeah, struggle of a day today here. Jared, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Why do these stupid prime brokers keep creating borrowed shares? When if the hedge funds default, the prime brokers will be on the hook for those shares? Because they're money hungry and they're idiots. It doesn't make any sense. Like it does. That's the one thing. Exactly. It's like, why are they still doing it? Well, one, we've gone over this a couple of times in the past, but the reason for shorting AMC right now is not fundamental. It's not like it doesn't make any sense. Like, and this is why like the next run could be even crazier because even with like the good fundamental news, if the technical switch, which they can really quick, we just need to get above that 200 EMA on the 4-hour, I think, to really start to shoot up. I mean, though we could see that double buy from the shorts covering and then establishing a long position because they're going to be like, all right, well, we played it on the way down. We're technical traders. We might as well play it on the way up as well. Head fake season. I think we're going to run into close. That'd be pretty sweet. You're taking my Valentine to see Jackass Forever. There you go. There you go. I don't know if my Valentine's watching. I'll say what I bought, but like, I don't want to do that. I feel like that would be bad. She might be lurking. All right. 1801 over here. SPY moving down again. Q4 earnings coming, they take their chances. That's stupid though, because we know it's going to be pretty solid. Like we've already seen the earnings preview. It's really good. So it's technical. It's all technical right now. And it's been that way since November. Once that starts to turn in our favor, done deal. We're good to go. It's just a matter of time. Steven says there is no next run. That's funny, Steven. What makes you think that? How about look at any other stock in the past that's done a move like this? Overstock. What happened then? Huh? Let me know what happened with Overstock then, buddy. Like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Eventually it will go. The only way it doesn't go is if it goes absolutely bankrupt. How's that going to happen? It's not. Zillow. Yeah, Zillow was ripping today. Let's see. Amy trying here. SPY pulling back up. Yuso doing all right. Steven, that's just a silly thing to say. Like, you're saying it with so much certainty. There is no next run. Really? Not many strong moves today. You're right. Bots in the chat. I mean, yeah, that's fun. Bots are fun. I always like when the shills come in here. It's always a good time. They're coming for you, bro. All right, good for them. Good luck. Like, let's see. Spy moving down a little bit here. Scooby Dooby, you're really spewing some nonsense in here today. You guys can come see me if you want to. Like, it's fine. 12 months of shorting makes me know that. You've also, bro, literally the stock went from 2 to 72 or 2 to 25, then back down, went from 10 to 72, and you're saying it's not going to go. That's 2 runs right there. What was everybody saying after January? It's not going to run again. It's not going to run again. It's not going to run again. Oh, then what happened? June. Let's see. Did the Fed release a statement yet? I haven't seen it. Let's see. Amy getting a little bounce here. Little bounce. 1809 over here. Spy moving down. You make me ashamed to be a Steve. Alrighty, people. Let's see. All right. So 1809. Spy. Affirm. What's up with Affirm? Yeah, Affirm down another 5. Amy coming back up. It's not going to run again. Trust me, bro. Exactly, Michelle. Exactly. Got a lot of trust me bros around here. All right, everybody. Amy, 1814. Trying. Spy. Trying. Affirm. Not really doing so well. USO. Just chilling here. Margin calls incoming. Not a hedge fund. There you go. Oh, it's almost 2 p.m. That's the other thing. So, like, FX Hedge has been, like, around way before, like, the AMC GME stuff. So, when people see FX Hedge say, like, margin call is coming, people like to, I don't know what it is. It's like people see tweets and are just like, oh, they must be talking about us. They're not. It's just like, let him do his thing. That's just when it happens. Like, that's when the calls go out. It doesn't have to do with AMC. Let's see. Spy needs a bleed. 80 counterparties take 1.666 trillion to reverse repo. Yep. Alrighty. Amy, 1809. Spy just flickering here. Flickering. It's like, I don't want to, it's not like self-centered, but it's like, what is it called when you like think everything revolves around you? What is that called? It's not, maybe it might be self-centered, but like not everything has to do with AMCGME. It's like when I see people freak out about like FX Hedge, it's like, oh my God. It's like, that's not what they're talking about. All right. 1810 over here. Kanye. All right. That's fair. Do you have a new put on the Spy? No, I don't have anything. All right. Spy 439.15 down about 1/3% over here. Narcissism. It's not narcissism, is it? Egocentric, maybe. Is it narcissistic? Egotistical, maybe. That might be one. Might be egotistical. Egocentric. Whoa, what's up, Burhi? Here you go. Conceited, maybe. Ego. Yeah, it might be. But like that's kind of what I see sometimes. It's like not everything revolves around us. That it's just funny. Like people will freak out about it, and I'm like, here we go. All right, Amy's looking for that 5-minute MACD cross. That could be fun, but we needed to shoot up above that 13 EMA. What's up, Jared? How you doing, buddy? Napoleon comp? Nah. Google. Self-centered. That's what I thought it was too. All right. Ooh, Spy with a candle. Spy with a candle. All right. 1348 cross down on the Spy over here. Hold on. Can we just YOLO something for fun? Are we going to do it? I don't know. I've got like no cash left. Self-absorbed. That might be it. That might be the word I'm looking for, actually. That might be the one. All right. I don't even know how much settled cash I have left. Like, I have no idea. How much? Let's see what we got. We got $26. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. If Spy capitulates, let's see what we can get for $26. All right. That's reckless, but we're doing it. Let's Let's see. Is it gonna let me do it? Oh, I got it. All right. So we got this 1348 cross down. Spy's been having a little bit of a disaster. I have no settled cash left. I just YOLO'd it. So for fun. Let's see though. Spy actually capitulates today. Like again, it could get gnarly. So I had no settled cash left. I wanted to have some fun. That's what I did. That's my YOLO. I held my pup. You held your puts, bro. SCV Squirrel, please don't do that. Chillin', bro. They're taking AMC down big today. Very scared. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. Like, they're gonna try to push it down as much as they can. They do this all the time, and we're gonna get scared that they are gonna try to push it down, doing the exact thing that we know that they're gonna try to do. No. All right, Spy selling off hard here. Interesting. UVXY to 1,000 again. If that happens, that's gonna be dirty. That's gonna be gnarly, man. Whew. All righty. Rush attack Wednesday. Yeah, maybe. But here comes Spy on the way down. Oh, there it goes. Let's see. What did this contract go up? Let's see. 13%. That's funny. All right, Amy coming down a little bit here. Spy's moving down hard on a 1348 cross to the downside. If this hits, that's going to be the most drunk thing I've ever seen in the market. So we'll see what happens. Spy puts up 138%. There you go, Big Dave. I love to see that, buddy. TLT jumping. Dude, TLT cannot pick a freaking direction. Yeah, TLT's getting... Whoa. Whoa, Spy. Whoa there. Amy down below 17. What's oil doing right now? Oil... approaching 94 again. You held my puts, wanted felons. I mean, we're still not really at the previous low of the day yet. We're close. It could get there though. Gotta pump those numbers, folks. Hit that like, yeah. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see. Thoughts on Oxy calls? I still have them. I mean, it's just a small YOLO that I have on oil going up this week. What's USO doing right now? I mean, as things sell off, USO's getting a pump here. So I got USO calls early, United States Oil. Those are up now. They're only up 3%. So they haven't really been bid up that much. So we'll see what happens with it. As Spy comes down like this and oil starts to move back up over like a fear move and like inflation and everything. I mean, these oil stocks should go eventually. This is crazy. My Spy put that I got is up 34%. That is crazy. Oh, now it's up 28%. I'm YOLO in this Spy put that I bought for $26. All right, here we go. Let's see. No, I know Nepal's hit these before where you buy it for like $4 and it just goes boom. Spy new low. Oh, did it? Yeah, it did hit a new low. Let's see. Jack's dad, I don't. That's not what it is. It's something like that, but it's not. It's similar. It's like the healthy version. Oh, Spy coming down again here. Let's see. USO not really moving yet. UVXY is probably ripping right now with this move. Oh, here comes the Spy. I wish I had more money to play the Spy. It's fine. UVXY. There it is. UVXY is pumping right here. Oh, here comes Spy. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, man. Not again. Spy. Yeah, here comes UVXY. These Spy puts might be up 100% right now. 98%. Damn, I wish I had more money to play Spy puts. Now they're up 109%. This is hilarious. 110%. Well, that's silly. I wish I had more money, more settled cash to play this. Amy coming down, though. That sucks. All right, where's oil? Oh, boy. Here we go again. Here we go again with oil. Oil's up. The oil contract's 9%. Oxy's not moving yet, but Spy's getting absolutely hammered. All right, so when I got those Spy contracts, the ones that I got are now up 109%. They're the 432s that expired today. Don't buy those. They're YOLOs, and I didn't have any settled cash left in my account. And I wanted to play something. 200%. UVXY going to explode. What's good, Vix? What's up, Long? How you doing? That was nice little 1348 cross. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. Here comes USO. TLT running. Yeah, what's the TLT strangle at? It's up 50 cents. 125% on Spy puts. Jesus. Well, let's see what happens here. Carlos, thank you so much for the super. Could we possibly retrace to 14 for AMC January 10? We could. It's possible. If the market implodes, yes. Yeah, here comes oil. Oxy's, USO's really getting up there with SPY coming down like this. Let's see, is oil pumping here? Not really. They're just flooding these oil stocks right now, though. USO is running. That's a good one right here. Oil and gold. Yeah. So watch gold. Watch GLD. GLD can be cheap, and you can GLD. What's going on with this? GLD's getting a candle over here too. A SPY new lows over here. Oh boy, watch out below. Wow, what a surprise, AMC. Well, yeah, the SPY is capitulating right now. It went from 441 all the way down to 436. This could get dirty right here. If this hits 431, all right, SPY's moving back up here. The contracts are up 121%. This is drunk. This is absolutely drunk. All right, where's USO? I'm going to hold that contract into the end of the day because screw it. Why not? It's 26 bucks. There we go. Trend continues. Dude, my SoFi puts are killing it. There you go. I tried to play SPY put, but the premium was $500. What am I doing wrong? What did you buy? What expiration date were you trying to buy? Look at the AMC candle. Yeah, it's huge. Oh, my USO. Jesus. Jesus. These contracts are about to go in the money. They're up 25% right now on USO. Oxy's not moving yet, though. The Oxy contracts are not coming back. What's Oxy doing? Nothing. So Occidental Petroleum's not getting the candles yet. Remember, SPY new low. Remember the last time that we tried to play around with this, Oxy took a while first to go. Oh my God. United States Oil is going to print today. Thank you. What are these up right now? 31%. The SPYs are up 123%. But I also, the SPY contract that I have that's up 123%, I put $26 into because that's all I had left to settled in my account to day trade with. Yeah, oil spiking. Let me see what WT is crude up above. No, it's not. I mean, the oil stocks are getting really bit up right now. 33% on the USOs. SPY move. Oh boy, this is going to get nasty right here. This is going to get nasty. 38% on this. This is gnarly. Here we go. Printing. There we go. All right. So SPY hanging down around here, but oil stocks are getting really jumpy right now. So these are up 40% now. Did war just get announced? I don't think so. Made 300% on your SPY put. There you go, buddy. All right. Here comes Jesus. All right. Here we go. This is why we like to be able to trade and make money in this marketplace. Yeah, for everybody filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Just made 300% of my SPY put. There you go. My YOLO was the 440. Dude, you crushed it. You crushed it on that. All right, so SPY's trying to get a little bit of a bounce here. The contract's up 103%. You sold my USO too early, only got 10%? Yeah. Let's see. This is the Ukraine news fallout. Dude, they're just pumping this news. SPY back up. Oil might sell down here. What was the news that came out? I didn't see any news that came out just now on this. Ukrainian President Zelensky has issued a new decree declaring February 16th, the day Russia might be planning to attack. Okay, so that's why. WTI crude futures hit 95 a barrel for the first time since 2014. Watch oil start to rocket here. Yeah, here it goes. So that could be dirty over here. So the actual on WTI crude, I'm seeing it is 93.93, but futures coming up and pumping it. I mean, that could get gnarly. Hugh, thank you so much for the super. Ooh, Hugh, I'm happy you're starting to print with these, man. Over 100% on SPY puts. I'm out, probably leaving a lot on the table. Good hangout today, bud. Might just sit on the sidelines from here. Dude, I mean, you crushed it, man. That's really, really solid. I mean, my SPY puts are up 100%, but also it was a complete YOLO, like complete YOLO. U.S. reports they can see Russia assembly. Yeah, that's not good. That's going to pump oil. That's going to sell SPY off. Amy's going to get hit a little bit on this. So let's see what happens over here. 85% on my UVXY from last week. Just top ticked it, hopefully. Yeah, just locked in 300% on SPY puts. That's what we do around here, people. Russia hacks websites, says when's in. Interesting. That's maybe. I don't know. SPY moving back down here. Watch a new low on the SPY. Honestly, watch this blue box level over here at 435. That could get dirty. So if SPY starts to sell off again, watch USO start to rip. UVX, it might literally 50x. It might, but at the same time, be careful with it. Don't YOLO and hope that UVXY is going to do that. SPY flickering here. USO coming back up. Ukrainian is telling POTUS to back off. Oh boy, interesting. That's kind of weird. This is getting spicy. This is getting spicy, people. All right. SPY moving back down. Oil coming back up. Where's Oxy? Has Oxy started to make a move yet? Yeah, Oxy with a candle right here. So after that futures news came out, Oxy started to get bid up. That's kind of what happened last time too. SPY selling off, Oxy coming up. Amy, it's not holding up as well today as it did the other days, but watch the oil stocks, CVX, Chevron, candle, Exxon, probably getting a candle right here. Exxon, candle, like they're all starting to come up. USO's probably pumping right now. Yep, here comes USO. 3 cents off the new day, 3 cents off the previous day high. SPY coming down. This is getting gnarly over here. Yeah, Oxy getting a candle. So those contracts that I have are still down on it, but I think oil is going to be great. 123% on SPY puts, 43% on the USOs. Nice. I'll take it, man. Alex Blunt, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, SPY trying to get a little pop here, but oil is just saying nope, going up. So Alex, I know your oxys are probably struggling a little bit right now, but I don't know. I just think with this nonsense news coming out, like look at this, oil stocks are starting to get a pop now. SPY trying to come back up here, but with the news, it could get very selly into the end of the day. It's trying to bounce, but the sellers are really coming in on this thing. Hey, still holding my oxy? There you go, buddy. SPY puts printing. Yeah, I mean mine are up a lot. But again, remember, I didn't Oxy coming back to life over here. It needs a big move to go green. Big move on that to go green. Where's USO? USO new day highs. Boom. There we go. Who was telling me I shouldn't be trading oil earlier? Who was telling me that? Who was telling me don't trade oil? That's what I thought. SPY is coming back up here though. Watch oil stocks start to get going. Amy 1780, not too great over here on this. Here comes SPY back down. I hate how expensive everything is on Monday. Yeah. The other thing is, though, is that if things are going to be that expensive on Mondays, haha, Oxy can do it. It can. Here comes oil back down. Right. I say that nonsense. Let's see. Oxy. Oh, wait, shoot. I got to send TMI this link. What's up, Matt's gang? How you guys doing? You guys having a fun day today? It's pretty crazy over here. Oh, SPY new lows. Oh, just kidding. Pop right back up. USO does like the shark fin. Yeah, USO does like the shark fin over here. Yeah, testing the pre-market highs. Yeah, it's shark fin the last time a move like this happened. So let's see if it continues. SPY trying to bounce up here. What's oil doing? Oh man, 94.16 on WTI crude. This could get nutty. Getting SPY calls here. Good luck, man. Good luck. It's not looking great on the SPY today. So it could be a little bit of a bear trap here on this move. But from what we've seen over the last couple of days, and we got 2 hours left, it could get very selly. Watch out. The Russia thing is fake news. I think so too. But here's the thing. It doesn't really matter if it's fake news now because everybody's taking it as being real news. So that's going to affect the market. It doesn't matter that, like, I could say all I want, just it's fake, it's bullshit. But if the market's going to react this way to it being real, then it's going to be real. Like, that's all that matters. Remember, like, just like I say with like all of these different like fundamental analysis, these discounted cash flow models. Yeah, stuff might be overvalued right now, but it doesn't matter because, new GME filing. M. Kriegs, what is it? What's the new GME filing? LMT, big candle. Lockheed. Man, Lockheed trying to push here. SPY moving down. Let's see, what's Oxy doing? Oxy making its way back up here. Oil is shooting. If it hits 95, 94.11, not bad. Facebook puts came back from the dead. There you go, everybody. All right. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. SPY puts that I have are up 160%. Yeah, Russia, Ukraine news. You sent it to me? All right, hold on. Yeah, SPY's selling here. Let's see. Oxy coming back to life. MCrease, can you... Oh, Susquehanna ownership change? Oh, it's a 13G. Okay, so they just probably increase or decrease their position and they own more than 5%. All right. Oxy's coming up here. USO. Yeah, there it goes. Come on. Break that high. Amy holding right at 1781. Perception is reality until reality sets in. Exactly. Let's see here. Oh, ho, ho, blue bloop. What's up, buddy?
Bing bong. The price
Bing bong.
is definitely going down.
Oh, yeah.
Now, the only trade today that I've made so far is Moderna. One trade, and I said, all right, cool. Killed it with that trade. We're not touching a damn thing else the rest of the day.
There you go. I got a SPY put on this 1348 cross to the downside over here. But I only had $26 settled cash in my account and I wanted to day trade it. So it's up 144%.
You know what I love? I love the fact that that was 100% honesty, and someone is still going to say that you're lying. You
It's
YouTubers
27.
make so much money. You mean you only have $26 free cash in your account?
Dude, it was
Someone's
I
still
just
gonna talk shit. So I don't know how. It's still gonna come.
I mean, I've been going at it with oil too today. Uso's finally coming back to life. I mean, it's a SPY 432, I think it is. Like it's way
Did you
out
do
for
the daily?
26 bucks. What?
Oh yeah.
I
Okay,
had to
okay,
get like it
okay.
was that was the cheap one that I could get, but it's
I know what you
it's
mean.
up a lot.
Yo, it's the worst, but it's the best when they also hit.
It's 173%, 75. This is crazy, but it's only $26.
Well, I'm wondering if I should have held on to some spy puts. I had spy puts from Friday that I got out of today. I didn't really count those as a trade,
Yeah,
but yeah, probably should have held on to those. I'm afraid to go look at them.
I had some this morning, and then I sold them when it started coming back up. But
Yeah, I'm just
oh,
wondering because
dude,
this sudden drop, like usually the time decay kills it, but because it drops so much, I'm just wondering if it's actually net more positive now than it was before.
yeah.
Interesting. Damn. So yeah, have you heard anything about the Fed meeting?
No, have you?
Not a thing.
Yeah, I haven't heard anything.
Not the
I guess they're
thing.
circulating the February 16th news for Russia now, and now, oh Jesus, USO is just ripping.
Yeah. Also, I think MU is also doing the damn thing just now.
Oh, fucking Micron. Is it really? It's coming down.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like if you're playing puts,
Yeah.
I
But
wish I was
Moderna
playing
was
puts.
probably
Not that
sweet today, though, buddy.
Moderna was solid. It was grueling though because I was watching it on the 1 minute, and I was just like
Oh,
I was watching it playing. I went in with I went in heavy for one trade today because I was like, you know what, today I'm not gonna trade anything. And then as soon as I saw Moderna open red, I was just like, okay, we might just do one trade. And I'm just like staring at it for 20 minutes straight. Tick
yeah.
tick tick.
I
That's
hate
all
that.
right.
That's what I had lucid calls this morning that went good. Ooh, Spy's coming to the box.
There we go. Now the only thing is,
Ooh, WTI crude's gonna hit 95, I think, today.
that is freaking ridiculous.
Yeah, here it goes. This is gonna be dirty. Oh,
And
technically it's a 1348 too, right here. Whoop.
I love it. If no one should be in their weekly calls for AMC right now after that 1348 cross down.
No.
That should be like an exit 101. Hey, look, we're currently at $18. We're heading down to 750. Just a heads up.
Wait, what? 1750?
Yeah. It's
You scared me.
1769 right now.
You scared me.
What do you think I said? 17?
You said 750.
No, 1750. 1750.
You scared me.
Honestly, if AMC was currently at, and I don't want to say it's just like shits and giggles, but it is kind of funny. If AMC randomly dropped to like $7 or something like that, I would go to the bank and take out a loan.
Yeah, my buddy does that. He does it with his GME stuff. He's like, should I take out another line of credit on it? And I'm like, stop.
Like if it came down to something that low, like I would do that and do something stupid, like go a lot in on a very, very, very undervalued stock and just say, hey, look, bank, this is the situation. We're gonna go make some money today. All right, let's go have some fun. Max out my cards. No, I wouldn't max out my cards, but I just take a sizable bet.
That would be
Yeah, have some fun with it. All right, my guy. I'm gonna go take the dog out for a walk.
Have some
Enjoy
fun.
yourself, people. Yeah. Watch out. Hey, watch out for the end of the day bounce and then dip again.
That's what I'm thinking too. I mean, I'm fine with that $26 going to zero. I think I might just I think it's up 200% right now.
Dude, if you take it out, how much can you use again?
I'll be able to use it tomorrow. I'm done for the day though. Like after that, I'd have to hold something overnight. I used the last amount of money that I would have had for day trading, but these USOs make me want to sell them soon.
I would get out of that position.
The USOs, if they hit 100%, I'll make it free. What are they at right now? 64. I like that. That's not bad. I do have the oxys for this week too, so I could leave that. Let's see. It's still going though. That's the thing. Like the oil doesn't show any signs of slowing down right now.
Was that a large bet?
Yeah, it wasn't small.
Then yeah, okay. So for Moderna today, I did a 25% of my portfolio bet on Moderna.
Ooh.
But it was one of those just like that's why I had to watch in the 1 minute because I was like, if it gets too much kickback, I have to get out quickly. but it was a big one. But to the point where I was just like, okay, it kept going down further. And I was like, I have to get out now because it's just gonna be crazy.
Yeah,
I would say be careful off that first rejection.
I think so too. It just did it right here. It didn't get into the box, but it still looks weak.
Wait. Which one's the big one?
The USO.
Yeah. Check the 1 minute, and then once the 1 minute eclipses the last like that.
Yeah, that would be out. Well, let me see where oil's at right now, though. It just crossed 95. It's gonna go. I think it's gonna go. Oil just went from 93 to 95.
Okay, how long ago?
5 minutes.
Okay, it's gonna go.
I think it's about to pump. And the futures went to 95 first. That was this initial move. And now the actual WTI crude is up there. I think it could get a little spicy, but we'll see. SPY's coming back down now. This could be where the candles
78% call premium for USO.
Really?
That's the highest I've seen all day.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, SPY's coming down in the box now.
Okay, so maybe I'll just get in some USO calls right now then. Let's see if we can have a little bit of a YOLO action. Let me wait a little bit.
They're slow. The premiums are slow movers.
Yeah,
they didn't move. They didn't move a lot. Like this move from like 65, 85 to this up here, like a dollar move was only like I think 70% in the calls for the weekly.
I can tell that 15 people in chat just bought USO calls because I can see $105, $212. Someone's buying some YOLOs. 200.
Stop! Don't do that. SPY's reject. I don't know. Where's oil? 95.28.
Tesla puts today handling these SPY calls. Oh, Tesla puts today would have been freak. I mean, if you played puts on one thing today and you focused on it, you probably did very well.
I think so too.
Team I play Oxy is above the cross. I've played Oxy a lot the first time I played Oxy a lot was last week, and it was a banger.
Oxy's fun.
It was a banger.
Stock.
I think what I'm gonna do is start getting some longer calls for Nvidia, Tesla, AMD.
Yeah,
I'm gonna start. Too. Yeah, like basically all the profit from today is gonna go back into some not leaps, but 1-2 month out calls for a few different options and see what happens there.
Yeah,
I just want to wait till the information comes out tomorrow. I'm hoping that it's negative. We see another continued dip, and then Nvidia earnings comes out, and
is PPI tomorrow?
Yeah. Be careful though. Start saying that. They're saying, "Oh wait, the PP's coming out tomorrow." I'm like, guys,
every time.
All right, buddy. Have a good
one,
everybody.
Have some fun.
You guys take care and make some money out there, people. There's still some opportunities to make some money out there.
Yeah, there definitely is.
All right, deuces.
Later, buddy. All right, everybody. It looks like oil plays are striking again. So if you guys don't mind on your way in, just hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. So WTI crude flashed above 95. Now it's at 94.91. It still looks like it wants to come up. Oxy's coming down from the depths. You guys are crushing it over here today. There you go. So I don't know. Let's see what happens with these USOs. I was playing these to hold it for the week. If they go up 100%, I'll make it free. If not, I'm just going to hold them because I just think oil is going to continue to have these bullish days. I think oil has the chance to get above 100 at some point over the next couple of weeks. So they are saying now that this Russia-Ukraine stuff is going to happen on like the 16th. We've seen some weird stuff happen about it, and that's causing the SPY to sell off, oil to rip, and I believe GLD and SLV are probably pumping too. So yeah, it's coming down a little bit here. But we'll see. USO, it's still looking strong, dude. Like, look at this. It still wants to get. Let's see if it breaks that previous day high. Amy's coming back up 1790. SPY's trying here, but again, we got a lot of time left in it today. Things can still get a little bit wonky. So let's see what happens. Things are looking weird, people. It's a weird market right now. Is the YouTube algorithm pinning AMC down? I don't know. Do you think there will be a draft? I doubt it. I hope not, man. That would stink. So 1791 on AMC over here. SPY moving down. SLV hasn't moved much. Interesting. Mod Squad. What's up, DRF? Oh, he's got a squirrel next to his name now. There you go. All right, let's check back in on Oxy, see how you guys are doing on that. Yeah, that's a dirty move on Oxy from freaking 40.83 to 42. That's a $2 move. If you guys got that move, you crushed it. So where's WTI at right now? 95.08. Interesting. CFVI downside. LMT did maybe some money again. There you go. All right. USO and then LMT. Lockheed. And Lockheed popped back up a little bit, but is selling off now. Spy's trying here. It didn't like this range here. This is where I thought I was going to get to. If Spy comes back down in here and starts selling into this range, it's going to get nasty. But if it keeps bouncing here, it might just chill here or rally up into the end of the day. But we're going to have to wait and see what happens with that. But oil is still looking like it's on the high over here. My squirrel is the cutest. The OREV. There you go, buddy. As if you can't get drafted, he has a medical condition with that finger. I don't know, man. All right, Spy chilling over here, trying to come back up. He's also a thief, but a cute thief. That's funny. All right, so these Spy puts that I have now are up 126%. That's funny. That is I just hit my finger. That hurt. All right, so Spy. Ooh, nope. No on the Spy. Let's see. Where's oil? Yeah, 95.19. This thing's probably gonna go. What contracts am I holding overnight? Yeah, oil is climbing. So the only thing that I'm considering holding overnight, I'm definitely going to hold Oxy. I don't know about USO, though. If they go up 100%, I'll make it free. Marathon Oil, MRO, they have earnings this week. So we got to be a little careful with that. MRO. Wait, is that today? Does MRO have earnings today? Earnings whisper. Let's see what we got. So, earnings was where's MRO? Marathon. Oh, Marathon Oil's on Wednesday. So we'll see what happens over there. Spy coming back down, AMC coming back down, GME down 6%, Amy down 5% over here. There goes his tip of his finger. Yeah. Day high on oil. Did it really, Alex? Holy shit. 95.41. Yeah, this looks like it could get spicy. Yeah, I saw that, Alex. That's up 71% on Oxy. I love to see that, guys. Mine are still down for the weekly, but if it's going to continue to do this, it's going to be gnarly. Spy's coming back down here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's on Wednesday. Every time you say squirrel, my dog's ears perk up. Oh, how did it work out with that one? All righty, people. All righty, everybody. So things are getting wild. DraftKings earning this week. Yeah. My Oxy calls are weekly as well. Yeah, they're all weekly, but I had mine from Friday. So Occidental's still down today. It's in the red. My contracts are getting beat a little bit. Did just cross. See what happens at this 200 EMA here and see what happens with the Spy and then oil. 95.43 new day high. You're holding 420 Spy puts. That's crazy. That's kind of wild behavior over there. All right, Amy trying to get a 5-minute MACD cross, but it's not looking great. Spy, I don't know. You're down 35% on Oxy, still just a little more to go. Yeah, I mean, if it runs into the green, we'd probably be all right with it. But let's see, oil's still coming up big, which makes me not want to sell these contracts. Today's crazy with this Russia stuff. It was like, what could the other bearish catalyst be? And now it's freaking war with Russia and Ukraine. Like, this is nonsense over here. Spy's trying here. It's not as wild as a squirrel. ATVI waking up. Interesting. Wars pump certain stock like defense contractors. Yeah. LMT, Raytheon, Boeing could be decent. UVXY could be a good swing. Yeah. A lot of people are talking about that 1000X from the pandemic. The Spy would have to capitulate. Like, they'd have to get into a situation where they need to do more QE. Hugh, thank you so much for the super. Gorillionaires hits different when you're green on the day. The booger sugar smells sweeter too. Trust me, bro. All right, buddy. All right. USO selling off here. Spy chilling. Oil. New highs. This is nonsense. Nonsense candle here. Profit takers is what I'm thinking. Occidental selling off. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense with this move. Hugh, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Didn't even let me think it was going to send that. Well, it did. Did I go over the CEO of Moderna? Yeah, he sold his shares, deleted his Twitter. He did a lot of nonsense over there. So let's see. What are these Spy puts at now? Data's going to come get these really soon. So they're up 132%. The USOs are up 60% over here. It's not bad, man. That's not bad. Wow. We're back into that category, that territory with TLT where both my puts and calls are green. It's very, 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 very weird. That should not be happening. USO, I mean, we're seeing the shark fins kind of start to pop off, so we'll see what happens. Bitcoin just hit 2,000. 420. That's funny. Oxy calls are for 44 on Friday. Was that dumb? Mine are for 45 on Friday. Is that dumb? Like, I don't know. Let's see. I'm playing for a big move in oil coming to pump oil stocks. Wow. It's still climbing. 95.56. That's huge. His Twitter got taken down due to inactivity. Oh, interesting. Why in the hell does Oxy and CVX and Exxon oil stocks go down when oil prices are up? Just wait. That's what it is. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game until they start to run. It's you wait for that rotation to come in. That's what happened on Friday. Like on Friday, we saw oil start to go nuclear and nothing happened with those oil stocks. And I was losing my mind. I was like, how is this not happening right now? And then it did. And we made hundreds of % on those contracts. Now I'm still up a decent amount on these USOs, and I still think oil's got some more room to go. Adam, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. All right. All right, is that 95.56? What are we at now? 95.36. So it came back down a little. Okay, thanks. Yeah, that's the thing with these oil stocks. They lag a little bit and they move weird, but they move. How far out are your TLT options? They're for March. They're for March. I'm just expecting a big move in the bonds coming soon. So TLT flickering over here. I mean, it's still in the red. My puts and calls are green. I don't know how my calls went green, but we are oil barons. Yup. Yup. All right, people. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. I know this is not a fun move to see. But again, there's nothing that we can control about these types of moves. The market's going to do its thing. We might as well be in the position that we are to make money on these types of moves happening in the market. That's all. That's as simple as that. Afternoon, Vix. Glad you spent the supers on a haircut, but what did you do? But what did you do? The market tanked. I didn't do anything. I mean, I did buy calls on oil, and I've had them for a while. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm happy with my $125 of profit with the market poop in the bed today. Keith, there you go, buddy. Do technicals matter? Not long. I would say not overnight. Long-term technicals, like week out, a couple weeks out, like because you're just gonna see news drive the market these days. Oil coming back up. I was looking at a bunch of your videos from over the months. Oh, really? Like nothing I have said is like not like it's always been something in there. Let's see. The other thing, hard MF. Do you want people to to learn about the AMC stuff, or do you want the what do you call it? The videos to not get recommended to anybody? That's the other thing. You made $120 on paper trading this morning. There you go. The weirdest part of the day is Zillow being up 10%. Yeah. Thoughts on K? I don't know. KSCP. Oh, it's ripping right here. Ripping. 60% on DraftKings. There you go. Let's go. Chills are out. We will win. Yeah. All right. What do we got? I want USO back up here. How's USO doing? Oh, it's trying. 54%. Now the SPY puts are only up 94%. That's a bit sad. SPY going to drop much more. I think it could. Did you guys see E-Trade take a jab at retail? I saw that. Oxy bounced off the 30 EMA. There you go. 95.27 on oil. Love the hair today. Thank you, Aaron. I love your profile picture. All right. Amy Ortex over here. They've borrowed net 2.86 million shares, 21.83% estimated short interest, 1.61% average cost to borrow over here. Just getting in here. Why did the market tank? It's just more news about Russia and Ukraine. That's why I have oil, like, because this is the moves that are going to happen here. It's like, okay, you're going to see this Russian Ukraine nonsense start to happen. The SPY is going to sell off, but what goes up and what can you make money on? Oil, gold, silver, natural gas, a lot of those things. SPY retest the 13. They continue to capitulate. Yeah, I mean, but the 13's at 437.49. That's a dollar move. That's a decent move up. Viacom is crushing you. Big T, stop loss, buddy. You got to have the stop loss in there. I had Viacom calls earlier too today, and it started to go against me, and I was like, nope, no, thank you. I'm not holding unless it's like these like oil plays that are different. It's not like a technical play. It's just like, okay, it's more of like a macroeconomic. Okay, oil's going to go up. These stocks are probably going to do well. I'll hold those a little bit longer. Do you know if we still have 100% utilization on GME? Technically, yes, but it doesn't matter until the cost to borrow goes up. Like utilization by itself is nothing without having the effect of it in the cost to borrow. So let's see. Dun, 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 dun. I cannot pronounce Sunina Suckdeep. I feel like you're trying to catch me with that. Not gonna lie, I kind of feel like you're trying to catch me with that name. Like, I know that you're not, but like, I feel like you could. Ukraine says attack will begin on the 16th. Market going to tank right now. It might. What natural gas companies would be good to buy? I mean, you could go with Gush. That's going to be oil and natural gas. Like, Gush is probably doing great today. How is Gush down 3.63%? Daily S&P oil and gas. That's crazy. Your VIX is looking good. There you go. There you go. Here comes USO. SPY back down here. Amy trying, but it's at 1786. Your call option, $70 USO is printing. There you go, buddy. Good for you. What's USO at right now? I think I have this. What do I have on this? So I have the USO 6650. So these are in the money right now. They're up 51%. The SPY puts up 123%. That's nice. Boyle. And then there was another one that moves too. What was it? Began with a C or a K, I think. 1 minute ago. Ukraine says the attack will begin on the 16th. Yeah, it could. That could be gnarly. You got a forced liquidation warning? I won't get one on the SPY. I would need the SPY to really tank to get one of those. All right, let's check oil really quick. How we doing over here? Yeah, it's still 95.30. Here it comes. Amy, red candle. SPY. Amy's trying to get that 5-minute MACD cross. I don't know if SPY's going to be able to do it here. Would it be stupid to take a PDT hit on my SPY puts up 500%? When do they expire, Scott? You might have to sell them today. Yeah, KOLD and Boyle, cold and Boyle. Those were the two. I'm just looking at WTI crude. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, cold and Boyle. Those are the two. Thank you. All right, here comes USO again. GME down, SPY down. This is getting gnarly. Yeah, Scott. What is the expiration on them? If it's Wednesday, you're expired today, then you have to sell them today, Scott. In the future, it's probably not that smart to buy things that expire today when you're about to get a PDT hit, because you have to do something with them. You'd have to exercise it. So if you buy a put, you'd have to, I don't know. So you have to ditch it today at some point. I think you're going to have to take that PDT hit, or you just have to let it expire and see what happens. But you might have to take the PDT hit if you want your money. All right, here, people. Amy coming down. SPY, there it goes, down into the range again. Let's see if it gets into this blue range, the blue box. Oil, still 95.29. Like button brings AMC up. Yeah, or they expire worthless. Exactly. That's tough. In the future, please don't do that. All right, Amy down. SPY chilling here. What are these contracts at? 151%. Nice. 54% on the USOs. Klein dropper. That was funny. Yeah, things are getting real spicy over here. Real spicy. Bump, 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 bump. What's in the box? Red candles is in the box. If you see us break into that box, you're going to see some red candles. Oxy looks like it wants to boom. I hope so, man. I've got freaking 45s for this week. I need a big move. It's down 2.8% today, and the oil's going nuclear. Let him know he can violate PDT 1 per 90 days. Interesting. So you might get a warning. Unless you violated it before, you might get a warning. Yeah, USO coming back up. Bitcoin selling. Yeah, a lot of things are coming down here, except for like oil. Here it goes. Red candles for Valentine's Day. I guess so. It's not really what we wanted to see, but I mean, let's see. All right. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I think I might be the only one streaming Amy and everything right now. So if people need a place to go and YouTube's been glitching us, costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. So thank you guys if you guys wouldn't mind doing that. 436 on the SPY. It's flickering right here, and oil's just going on a moon mission. Yeah. All right. You have Oxy 43s for February 18th. Those could be decent, man. Those could be decent. Rivian looks like it could turn around, crossing above the 200. Interesting. Red candles are making me money. I don't mind. Yeah, exactly. I mean, the market's going to... Whoa, 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 whoa. On the SPY with a big green candle over here. Woo! Woo! They just said, hey, Vix, you bought that YOLO put? Psych, goodbye. That put might have literally just gone to zero. That put Okay, so the SPY put that I just had, this is hilarious. The put that I just had went from being up 130% to down like that. Did Amy come up on that? Yep, Amy got a little bit of a jump on that too. Oh, baby. What are we going to get here, people? Oh, baby. It's coming back down. That could have been a big buyer stepping in to just say, screw it, we're buying the dip, but we'll see. That was interesting. Prog go boom. Yeah, everything probably got a GME got a little pop here. Oil didn't, but that's fine. Oil's already up good. So SPY, interesting over here. So that was a big candle. What was this? 436 all the way up to a high of like 438. Jesus, that was a huge candle. That was a huge candle. Tech versus oil. Yeah. Could it be the Fed? No, that was crazy though. Oh, it's coming back up. It's coming back up. Hold your horses, everybody. All right. Oil came down 95.06. Still holding here. Didn't really get affected by that move a whole lot, but SPY is now getting very, very, very volatile. IWM as well. Ford did it too. A lot of things did that. Here comes the cover. Nah, I don't think so. But let's see. Amy 18. Let's see here. USO is still looking. What the hell was that? Why did the candle just disappear? GME coming back up here. SPY's just flickering now. This is it. It looked like they tried to get the MACD to cross on that to just like shoot it right back up. But let's see what we got over here. Algo started buying. Yeah, SPY's break. That was dirty. That was a margin calls on the SPY. Yeah. All right, back down. Let's see. USO 66, 67. What did these contracts go back to? Oh my God, these contracts are so volatile on the SPY. They just went from being up 130% to down 2% to up 73%. It's crazy. This is craziness over here. What's up, Vix, my beautiful man? Knox official. Good to have you in here, buddy. Thanks for popping in. Lou Candle? I guess so. I guess so. Yeah, SPY back down. Why is USO being such a little weirdo right now? Amy, 1795. SPY moving down. Lie about the dip. SPY is a meme stock. Yes, SPY is the biggest meme stock right now. The way it moves, it's just like woo. USO hasn't changed at all. Oxy selling a little bit here. USO is holding strong though. USO looks like the winner. All right, everybody. So SPY, I mean, it has the potential to just go, I guess. It hit this little top end of the range here a couple times and then just went boom right back up. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what's going on with USO, but it's kind of weird. His contracts are up 54%. The SPY puts up 88%. Fast algos trying to bag hold slow algos. It's possible. It's possible. They tried to entice everybody to buy and then went crazy. Where's oil? Wow, hold on. Oil just got a big boom. Watch out on USO trying to get some buyers over here. World War III coming? Hope not. That would be terrible. 1797 on Amy. GME's coming down a little bit. Amy above it's right around the 13 right here. SPY coming back down. What does a squirrel do for Valentine's Day? I see. I have a joke, but I feel like I shouldn't say it, right? Hides his nuts. Just kidding. All right. SPY flickering here. Amy trying. It's doing its best. Pentagon is live right now. Come on. Gets the nut. That's a good one. That's probably what I should have said. Oil just flickering here. How is USO not moving? Is this just my computer freaking out? No, it's not moving, but the premiums are moving. This is weird. All right, well, let's see what happens with that. SPY puts up 92% right here. USO just not making a move. Interesting. TKLF spamming it. All right. Well, what does it do? Is this the beauty products? Interesting. All right. SPY chilling here. USO just hasn't moved. That's weird. Pentagon briefing. You should not be hiding nuts on a day like this. You should be presenting them. All right. That's fair. Fair point. Fair point. All righty, people. Pandora, if you keep spamming it, I'm going to time you out. All right. SPY moving back up here. Amy trying to get above 18. How's my USO called not move with this huge move? When did you buy it? TLT moving down. SPY could get a little jumpy here. Where's oil? It's still high, man. It's still very high. And I'm still hungover. This sucks. Yeah, Amy, back above 18. SPY getting a little bit of a pop here. My contract, I think, just died. It's up 36%. I don't know. I'm holding it until the end of the day for fun because it's my YOLO. Oops, sorry. Update on Ukraine. Why is this not moving? They just went down from 54% to 44%, and they just have not moved. Theta's not going to hit you that hard. Do I look at the 5-minute or the hour? Depends on what time frame I'm looking at. For day trading, I use the 5-minute. All right, SPY moving back up here. Amy 1803. Update on your finger. It's not good. All right. What is going on with this? It can't be halted. Is it halted? No, because the options are moving. My options are moving on USO. It can't be halted. All right, let's see. 1803 on Amy. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. GME 117.36. Amy stole the rest of my retirement money. How you gave it to her? Halted for news. No, let me see where USO is on this because this should be more accurate. USO, it's not. Hold on, where is it on this? Karthik, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Whoa, what just happened to the SPY? Buyers came in, buddy. The buyers just came back in. Hold on, let me just oil. What is going on with this? Now it says 66.27. It just tanked. But why is it not reflecting on here? 0.81%. This is one. Come on. Let's go. I don't know why this isn't moving on Webull. That's weird. This is weird. All right. So let's see what happens with this. I'll keep checking the premium on it, but it's not moving on my screen. Amy's moving. 1804. Everything is moving except for USO. It's on my app too. It's glitched out. So it's down. Now it's only up 36%. What the hell is this? Drew, stop spamming. Barcoding is, they're going to do that in this market right here, especially if it's low volume. Let's see. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps it a whole lot with the algorithm. All right. Oil making new day highs over here. Come on. USO's working on TD. Yeah, it's not working on here. What's it at right now? You're saying sell AMC, Angel. All right. Here's the thing. Angel, you egotistical dumbass. Nobody cares what you think. Nobody cares what I think. Nobody cares what any other person on the internet thinks about. You're going to come in here and say sell AMC. If you convince somebody to sell it because you came in here and was just like, oh, sell it. Nobody cares what you think. Zero. I'm not saying to buy it or sell it. Do what you want. I like it, so I cover it. Cool. You're being an idiot. Nobody cares, but all right, you're done now. You're done. You're done. You're a complete dumbass. Bye-bye. Bing bong. Your account is gone. All right. USO still being weird over here. They're coming back to life, I guess. My SPY put 44% in the green. What USO? What the? All right. I don't know if it's just everything else is moving except for oil. That's funny. This jet is chill proof. It is. It is. It always. Oh, here comes you. Then now it's moving. Okay, cool. Let's see. Bing bong, your account is gone. All right, it's 18 on Amy. SPY coming down. Come on, Amy, shoot up. Yeah, that was like the first person I banned in like forever. All right, USO back down. 66.46. It's being weird. Let's see. PDP, thank you so much for that big super, buddy. You didn't have to do that. I like this fucking guy. PDP, I like you too, buddy. We just had to sacrifice him, though. Press briefing. Emotional damage. All right, I feel like I shouldn't say it like that. People are going to yell at me, right? All right, but I do like that TikTok. Thank you, finally. Dude, I just don't ban people, but like that's just stupid. Like if you're going to act like a complete stupid person that has 0 IQ, you can go. It was not Angel's Day. First person you ban in a week, dude. I don't ban anybody. Oil keeps going up. What is going on with Oxy? Just wait on it. That's what you kind of got to do. Where is it right now? 95.34. It's flickering here. So I'm just kind of waiting for these big moves to start coming. If SPY starts selling off again, they're going to go. And it's already made a giant move over the last couple of weeks. So let's see. We're going to sacrifice more. I don't know. I barely ban anybody over here, but like, you're just being silly. If you want to act like a silly goose, get in the pond. I've never seen him in here. That was the first day I've seen him. All right. Yusa coming back up. Amy, right around 18. I'm pretty sure someone got the kick last week. Yeah, Lisa did. Oh, no. Lisa, I just timed out, I think. That you banned a chick on Wednesday for questioning Trey's vid. And oh, yeah. That might have. Oh, yeah. That was stupid. That lady was just here to cause problems. All right, people. We're getting into the end of the day. We got. Oh, shoot. We got an hour and 20 minutes left. Here we go. All right, Spy, what are we going to do? Almost power hour? Are we going to get a power or a sour hour? Here we go. Get in the pond. All righty. Here comes Yuso back to the upside. Let's see what oil's doing. Yeah, it's freaking pumping. I'm not selling any of that. I'm holding that. Spy coming back up here. So is oil. GME's getting a candle over here, only down 5%. My finger's hanging on by a thread. Is the merger still coming? What merger? New here, don't hate. Great. You're good, buddy. You're good. All right, everybody. Spy coming up here. Amy, 1801. I mean, the oil plays are still looking solid over here. Where's Lisa? I don't know. Amy in timeout. Hold on, we're getting news. Pentagon, it is absolutely possible that Putin will act with little or no warning. Spy loves it. Spy loves war now. Spy was like, oh, I don't really like this war. And then I was like, I kind of think this would be a fun time. Like, that's what Spy's doing right now. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Lusa, your sacrifice to the gods, fought through the pain of your hurt finger to click the block button. I'm sure he'll be buying soon. You know what, man? Maybe. Amy popping up a little bit here, 1805. Let's see, where's oil? Coming down a little, but it's still high. Russia taking battle from it. Yeah, I think he's talking about the Ukraine merger. No, Ukraine and Russia will not be merging together. Amy pop. Here we go. 1815. Come on now. GME pop. Hoo. I like it. Sacrifice you. All right, Noah. I got you, buddy. You get a 5-minute timeout. Sacrifice. All right. Let's see if Noah's sacrifice will help us trend to the upside here. I'm hoping. All right. Oil's coming back down. Spy loves war. I guess so. Yeah. Oil's just kind of hanging out here. My boy Vic's really out here propagating fake news. Yeah, I don't, because they're merging. They're not merging, bro. They're going to do the opposite of merging. They're going to collide. Smash that like button. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot. Amy, come on. I sacrificed Noah. We got to get up. 1804, Spy. Yeah, I don't know. We should sacrifice the whole Fed member staff. Well, I don't have the power to put them in timeout. Price, not clear if Russia wants to pursue diplomatic path. I'm pretty sure they don't. Kirby says Putin could invade with little in their warning. Yeah, we saw that a little bit earlier. Here comes Spy back down. What's up with oil? And it's still about the same price. Alrighty. Sacrifice them all the cinema god. Like number 800, Hugh G. Rection. There you go. I have to say those names very slowly or else I'm going to have to like get hurt, right? Ho, Grandpa Barney, good to see you in here, man. Guys, thank you so much for the supers. You guys don't have to do that. Grandpa will sacrifice for the family again. Grandpa Barney, I really appreciate that, buddy. WTI crude cup and handle on the 10-minute. Oh boy. I mean, what's it at now? 95.28. Oxy bull flag. Where? What time frame? 5-minute? Yeah, a little bit here. I mean, see, the Oxy moves weird. That's why I started to get Yuso today, because Yuso moves more with crude. Or text on AMC. Yep. Let's give it a quick refresh here. 2.62 million net borrow of shares today. 21.81% estimated short interest. We got 111 million, almost 112 million shares sold short, and still low cost to borrow, 1.61% over here. So Spy's just kind of flickering here. Amy, 1805. When all this is over, I'm having a beer with Grandpa Barney. Dude, me too. Maybe not a beer guy. Maybe I'll have like a vodka or 7. Yeah, Amy should have a freeway up to 18 to 31. No. We need that gamma ramp to really pop in. And we also need the Spy to not react like this to like war. All right, 95.41 back on crude. SPY got the MACD cross to the upside. Yeah, but is it going to hold? That's the thing. Is this going to start to trend up and the histogram really start to populate over here? Is it? I don't know. Amy, 1805. USO might be bouncing off this 13 over here. Let's see what happens. Liquor and me don't mix well anymore. SU will have a frou-frou drink. You know what, Vegas? Nope. You sleep on YouTube? I don't know. Wait, come on, bro. You acting stingy. You sleep on YouTube. I don't know what this is. Send me money and I'll reinvest my. I'm so confused. Oh, cash at me $1 is what is your name? That's weird. I'm not sending you $1. Sorry. I can't. I'm not sending money. Like, just like a random cash app. I feel like that's suspicious and you could steal my information and my identity and then like all my other information, right? Like, if I knew you, I would send you money. That's the thing. Like, if I knew you and you were here all the time, maybe I would send you money. Who is that behind you? Stop it. Stop it. We are going to have none of this nonsense again. All right. Amy, 1804. SPY flickering here. Oil doing its thing. Whoa, crude just tanked to 95.04. Big red on oil. My SPY puts up 32%. This is wild. All right, 40% on USO. I like it. Hold on. Did I just get news? Hold on. Moody's upgrades AMD. Oh, AMD got an upgrade. AMD. What do we got? Nothing. All right, let's see. Ukraine about to get margin called. That's a good way. That's one way to put it. Oil might come down here with that little sell-off. It's holding. GME. Market doesn't believe the war FUD. I think he does. I think the SPY knows. It's been pricing it in. It's had a lot to deal with recently, like rate hikes, inflation, war. Like, the SPY is stressed out right now. But when a real question comes across, can we maybe look at it? Yes. I'm looking at it. 18 to 30. Called it, Vix. Remember my call? Dude, it's at 18 right now. How are we going to just go to 30? What are we going to just spawn at 30? It's just like instant, like time warp 30. Like, I don't know. The SPY is emotionally challenged. Yeah, the SPY's having emotional issues right here. War is already priced in. I don't think it is. SPY needs a hug. Yeah. The SPY might get like a slap in the face, though, not a hug. SPY needs an oxy. All right. You guys are wild. You guys are crazy. All righty. Oil back down below 95. Oh, 1830. Please don't. See, I'm in the US, so when you put comma, that freaks me out. Utilization at 100% because it's not 100%. It's not right now. It's some weird glitch happening. There's no way. Unless it's lagging. We'll know by the end of the week if it's lagging or if there's nonsense. We'll see it in the cost to borrow. Let's see. Sorry, I am EU. No, that's fine. I just don't see it all the time. And I was like, how are we just going to go from 18 to 30? Got to look at SPY on the daily. Yeah. Don't let it be said that we never have fun. Dude, we have fun in the stream all day, even like every day. Even when the SPY is just capitulating and like fears of war, we'll just go to oil and like gold and everything. Oil is coming back down now. I volunteer as tribute, sacrifice me to the next short interest gods. All right, Night Forge. There you go. Oh, wait, I won't want to. I'll put you in timeout really quick. Oxy crossing down. Yeah, oil's coming back down a little bit here. Let's see what happens with the SPY. SPY's moving down. Well, just kidding. Oil just popped right back up. So we'll see. Russian news, Ukraine premium says he was being ironic. Interesting. I don't know. I think they're faking. I think it's a lot of bullshit, and we'll see what happens once like Wednesday comes. If nothing happens, the market's probably going to go. Okay. What are they capitulating? I got X on calls for when Russia invades on Wednesday. Good luck, man. I mean, I have oil calls too, just in case. And I have that TLT play. So TLT can actually be a nice move off of like war and bonds and inflation and like all this stuff coming out. SPY's moving back down now. USO coming back up. Here we go. Did I get stitches? Nah. I'm going to look at it after. I still haven't seen it. That's the thing. I have not seen it because it was just too like nasty. All right. USO 5-minute MACD looks like it might want to cross to the downside here. But if it just rips to a new day high, I don't know. We'll see. Wouldn't Ortex question their own data if it was wrong instead of tweeting it out every day? I don't know, man. Like the thing is that they're gonna just report the data that they're getting, so it may not even be their problem. They're like, this is the data that we're seeing, and that's it. Let's see. Bloomberg hedge fund billionaire Ken Griffin launched his effort to unseat Illinois Democratic Governor J.B. Pritzker, pledging $20 million to Republican Richard Irvin. Yeah, but I heard Pritzker is like not like somebody that people want. Like he screws up a lot of things. I don't know though. Super glue or amputation? Can we get a poll? No. My SPY call was up 20%, then down 80%, then up 10%, now down 30%. What a wild day. You got to be careful, man. Things are getting wild over here. That's why I just like kind of go with oil now because I kind of know where it's going to go. Not really, but oh, you meant put? Yeah, dude. The puts that I have now, what are they at? I have one put contract and it's up 26%. I mean, I'm going to have to take that eventually. I'm only up $6 now. $8. $8, $9. Oh, here it comes. Just kidding. Jamie back down. Amy down below 18. Biden equals buy the dip. I don't know about that. I don't know. SPY little pop here. 38% on the USOs. I've been listening all morning, but I don't know what happened to your finger. Okay, so last night during the Super Bowl, quick story time. When the market's going crazy. Okay, so last night during the Super Bowl, it's halftime. All I wanted to do was make these boneless barbecue wings. That's all I wanted to do. So I go to the refrigerator and I open the freezer. Now there's a Tito's bottle on the top. Now what happened is that I opened the freezer and the Tito's bottle falls off of the top of the fridge and like it's about to hit the granite. So I try to go catch it and it shatters on my hand. And I was like, uh-oh. And then I just started like SPY with a nice little pop here. Hold on. SPY loves war, I guess. First mistake was making boneless. I mean, true, but that's all I had. SPY looking hungry and wants to go a little. Where's oil? Is it around 95 still? Yeah, it's chilling at the same price. SPY's getting a little jumpy over here. My put probably just went to 0. Not gonna lie. Those Glaxos bleed like, yeah, dude, it wouldn't stop. I can one up you. I don't know if you can. Yeah. So then I went to CVS twice. I'm just sitting there like, this is a problem. AMC buyers coming in now. Well, buyers are coming in everywhere. Like the market is just getting some buyers coming in. 1811. We got SPY coming back to life over here. So it shattered on your hand, which means you have hands of steel. No, it shattered on the granite, and I just like trying to catch it. Usually I catch. That was like the first time I tried to catch something that was falling that really didn't go in my favor. I usually have quick reflexes and can catch stuff, but this time, no. All right, USO coming down. Where's oil? Chilling. Clean it in super glue. See, you guys keep saying super glue, but I feel like that's crazy behavior. Yeah, SPY moving here. All right, so 8 minutes until power hour, everybody. Let's see what happens. USO coming back down. Did you trying to catch a falling knife? No. Butter knife cuts away. I bet it is. I tried to get no, it was a falling Tito's bottle. That's what happened. All right, Amy popping back up here a little bit. Oil stocks coming back down. Do not super glue contract. Exactly. That's why I feel like am I holding my Oxy into tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah. Oxy. Yeah. I mean, what am I gonna do with it now? Am I holding USO overnight? I don't know yet. I don't know. They're up. Let's see. 30% now, probably. Yeah, 31% up on the USOs. The SPY puts are now down a lot. But it was $26 that I was YOLOing with. If you need stitches, you cannot get them after 24 hours of injury. Right, but I don't think I do. So that's where I'm YOLOing it there. It was also late. It was snowing. I didn't want to go. I was like, this is stupid. The hospital near us is so terrible. Like, I was just like, I'm not going to Hartford right now to go get my finger stitched. I was like, I'm not going. That's alcohol abuse? No, it wasn't. Like I wasn't drinking at all. 0 drinking, which I know is hard to believe. Let's see. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. You guys have been really, really awesome. This is crazy. Stop knocking Tito's. He's a good guy. Inverse ETF on SCV's finger. You should just see if you need stitches. I don't know. I haven't seen it yet. Let's see. Yuso coming back up here. Spy selling off a little. 1806 on Amy. GME's trying to get back above its 48 over here. Let's see. Zero drinking, but it was a Tito's bottle. Exactly. That's why the story makes no sense, but that's exactly what happened. It was a Tito's bottle on top of the thing. Best stream on YouTube. I mean, if I have to shatter glass in my hand, just walk it off. That's what I did. All right. Oil coming back here. Spy just chilling. Show it on the screen. All right. I'll show this. This is what it is right now. It's right here. This is where it is. It's right here. I just slashed it. It doesn't hurt that bad. Like I can hit it and it's fine. Tap, tap, tap. I feel like that made you guys feel a little bit screwed. I asked him to send me pics. I am Crease. I can send you the video of it. It's kind of gnarly. All right. Spy coming down a little here. Let's see what happens with oil. You have to buy 10 more shares tomorrow if you don't get stitches. All right, fine. No, I'm not getting stitches though, so I'll just buy 10 more shares. You got a boo-boo? Oh, big boo-boo. All right, Amy, 1808. Spy doing its thing over here. Can I bend it? Yeah, it's fine. See? It's good. Let's see. I can hit it and it's fine. Sounds scientific. Science. All right. Spy just kind of hanging out over here. Amy, 1809. GME, 118.26. Just kind of chilling out over here. Rub dirt on it. Exactly. Video of my finger, dude. Never mind. That's a scratch. Oh, no, it's definitely not. Oxy bear flag? No. That's just silly. This is silly. Come on, Oxy. What are you doing here? Where's oil? Yeah, it's still above 95. How are we still talking about SV's paper cut? It's not a paper cut. It's gross. I don't know how bad. 1811 on Amy. Spy trying to move here. Come on now. What did we use? Square 1348. Isn't that called block now? Yeah, it's about to cross here coming up. That would be nice if you could hit that. If Spy starts to come back up, that'd be pretty sweet. I'm a doctor. You're screwed. Shoot. Charge point going green again. Interesting. Pfizer wants to cross down. All right. All righty. Let's see. No, I sent pictures to a doctor though, and they were just like, bandage it up, put ice on it, you'll be fine. And I was like, good. I don't want to go to the emergency room. All right. What do we want over here? USO. Selling. Interesting. Where's oil? Yeah, not selling my USO contracts. I demand to be sacrificed to the market. There you go, buddy. You've been sacrificed. What the hell is USO? Oh, it's oil. It's United States oil. Oh, that kind of hurt. Spy coming back down to the 13. Amy, 1806. Photos of what? My gnarly, messed up finger. Picked up some more shares today to drop that average a bit. There you go, Fireball. I love to see that. Love to see that. I'm a lawyer. Let's sue Tito's. Down. I mean, technically, I could sue I couldn't sue anybody. U.S. just closed its embassy in Kiev, and the remaining personnel have relocated to Western Ukraine. All right, I'm getting some news over here. Vale seeks permanent 2%. Yeah, no, wait, Vale, hold on. Is this mining, like cobalt mining? Okay, this thing's moving a little, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, oil doing its thing. Spy chilling over here. Amy, 1809. 2 minutes until adult beverage time. It's 3. Did you at least disinfect it with alcohol? Well, yeah, the vodka just went right in the cut right away, which didn't sell good. Did not feel good. Why does everybody keep saying stick it in cider? Like, I'll just go get some apple cider or like apple cider vinegar because that sounds miserable. What will happen to the stock price during MOS when big institutions sell off? You'll see big red candles. All right, let's see. USO coming down and oil just chilling. Tito's with Crystal Light. Yeah, I've heard that. All right. Here it comes back down to the 25. Spy moving up here. I don't know. We'll see what happens with this. Oh, you. I hate you guys. I hate you guys. You guys suck. You guys. People have been saying that all day and it never clicked. Okay, you got me on that one. You got me. You got me. All right, fine. You got me on that one. All right, Amy 1810. You guys suck. Why would I- Stop. Everybody kept saying it. So I was like, what does apple cider vinegar have to do with my finger? You want me to stick my finger in vinegar? Like, what do you want me to scream? That's it. You're banned. All right. That was funny. You guys got me on that one. That's fine. All right. You guys suck. You guys are annoying. You guys are children. 95-20 on. You guys are children. All right. Oil trying to bounce off the 25 of May. 18-11 on Amy. That's the oldest joke ever. Yeah, dude. I don't know these jokes. Like, you got me good with that one. Spy. Not doing a whole lot here. Yeah, you got me good. You got me good. Danger zone, but okay. Did I miss the Fed news? Nothing. Gabe would be so disappointed. I didn't know. I just didn't know that one. Oxy or USO, what are you doing? Yeah, oil's coming down a little here. You people. You people. That was mean. We are children. We are the children. You didn't get it. Exactly. All right. 1801 on Amy. Spy selling off here. Oil coming back. The bottle knew of your paper hands. Exactly. He knew and it was like attack. It was a warning to not paper hand. And then honestly, though, that lucid sell today was fine. Like I sold it right around where this price is right now. All right. Let's see. Amy coming down a little bit here. Spy selling off a tiny bit. What about gold? We'll check. Yeah, Yusuf's chilling over here. GLD and SLV. What are they doing? Little red candle, little pop on gold. Nothing crazy though. SLV and nothing. Nothing. All right, we in power hour. We have 59 minutes left. Apparently, we're in power hour right now, and you guys started it earlier with those jokes. Oh man. Or text on Burke A. You know what, XYZ? No, I'm not gonna do that. I forgot how much younger you are. It's gonna be a funny year. Yeah, it is. That's a good one. All right. Yeah, you guys really got me with that one. All right. So somebody was talking about bio-nanogenomics. Is it coming up? It's coming down. Depends on what I mean. Didn't they recently have earnings? All right, spy down. Oil. Yeah, USO back up. Let's see. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm over here. Over here. All right, let's see if Amy's going to get a little bit of action. Oil starting to come up. Spy bouncing as well. Try some super. Yeah. I know. I don't think I can trade one-day expiration options on TD. Can anyone confirm that? No, you should be able to, Keith. You should be able to trade them like right now if you wanted to. Like if you really wanted to on TD, you should be able to do it right now. I miss late night fix with short the VIX. Dude, that was reminiscent of like what we would talk about in like late night. As long as it remains around these levels, I would keep loading up every chance I get. Well, even if it goes lower, you just get a better buying opportunity. USO 6626. These are probably only up like 20-25% now. US troops in Poland won't be drawn into your crane. Okay, cool. Yeah, 25% on these. The spy put not doing a whole lot right here. It's my buddy's birthday. Can I get a shout out? Those I know those. If you ask me for a shout out for somebody random, I know those. You can't catch me with all of them. Late night. Those were fun. When I go to the option chain, it only gives me weekly expirations. Keith, turn on more expiration dates, I think. You can if you're approved for options on TD, but they be taxing? How are they taxing on TD? Okay. Amy getting a sell candle over here. Pretty decent size as well. Spy's not moving that hard. I mean, this is from, what is this? Like 1809 to, yeah, it's like a 20-cent candle. GME coming down a little bit here. All right. I just got in here. Any news on the SEC? It wasn't the SEC closed door. It was a Fed closed door meeting. So they were kind of messing around with like they were talking about rates. So I don't know. We'll see what happens with it. I didn't see anything come out about it. But we'll see later. We will see. Some only have weekly. Interesting. Well, SPY should have today and tomorrow, or today, Wednesday, and Friday. I think you're tanking AMC because you're not singing "Let It Go." Facts. That's what it is, man. That's what it is. You're 100% right. All right. Damn, I can't believe you guys got. I'm having a disaster over here. My cap is gone. No cap. Fine, I found it. All right, Oxy's gonna make my forehead vein burst. Well, where's oil right now? It's coming down to 95, 95.07. So unless it starts to really rip again, these oil things are gonna get hit. But I still like it going into the end of the week, so I'm gonna hold the Oxy and USO. I think more cowbell. No, that damn E-Trade baby is doing this. Yeah, screw that. No cap. What's in the jug? Cider? Shut up, Jack's dad. All right. SPY literally just kind of hanging out over here. It's 3:05 right now. So we got 55 minutes left. Amy's getting some sell candles. SPY's starting to move down here. You're damn diamond handing these SPY puts. I mean, I'm gonna hold mine too that I bought for $26. USO, what the hell are you doing? If my portfolio breaks even, it'll be the greatest economic recovery since whatever great economic recovery that happened that I can no longer remember. All right. Oil coming down, I guess, with the SPY now, which is interesting. Why? All right, here. Come on. Stop this nonsense. SPY's coming down now. What's this put at? Down 15% on the put. SPY being the most liquid, they have 3 expirations every week. Yeah, they always have most liquid. USO doesn't even move the oil prices directly. People think it does. It actually has a delay due to contracts. That's what exactly it does. So it delays a little bit. But if you see the oil moves first, if it delays, you're good to go. You can see where it's going to go. So right now, oil's at 94.94. So we'll see what happens with it. Yeah, Amy did not like that little SPY move over here. Of course, he's holding SPY puts. He's already got one paper cut. Why would he want another? Exactly. Exactly. SPY contracts coming back. I mean, those were up 170% at one point, but I was just holding it because it was fun. Uber could be forming a right. Interesting. Going to be a sour hour again. Yeah, it might be. GME coming down now, looking like it wants to make a new low at 116.15. SPY selling off. Amy selling off. And now oil stocks are selling off too, along with oil. Like oil's not really doing a whole lot anymore. That's a lie. What did I do? Oh, what did Chris? Is it what Chris said? Chris, you said not going to move when all the business was just handed to Russia. It has been though. Max pain for AMC this week. I think it's 19. 19, yeah. 19 max pain on Amy. Okay. So, SPY getting eaten back up a little bit here. Holding SPY puts overnight? No. I mean, these expire today. If they expire worthless, they expire worthless. All right, people. Let's see. Are we going to have some fun? It was fun at 170. Wait, at 170? What was 170? Are you long on BOFA? Like Bank Frank? I think. Sorry, Vic. Still laughing. Okay, not gonna lie, that was funny. Like that made me laugh. I didn't get that one at all. What about oil tankers? What stocks would be tankers? Wait, isn't there like, what is it? Net or no? There's a weird oil. Because I remember like back when oil went negative, there was like Tanker Gang, and there was just like people trading oil tankers. Don't be a Larry. Lockheed? Is Lockheed going or is Lockheed coming down? Lockheed coming down again. TLT turnaround. Nah, CTRM's not an oil tanker though. They're dry bulk. That's not oil. What I miss? My food got delivered? Nothing. SPY's just acting like an a-hole. Let's see. All right. Amy, 1786 over here. Video about to cross down on the 15. News said a whale took a $40,000 bet on the 225 calls for 290. Good for them. I feel like I know who that is. Dry oil. Yeah, no. Let's see. LMT trying to pop here. Oil getting slapped. You got Applebee's? There you go. Yeah, oil coming back down. Are you still up on the USO calls? Yeah, I should be. Yeah, 20% still up on the USOs. That's also why I'm holding them, because I got them way back here on the 1348. Amy, 1787. Spy, it's just being a weirdo. Spy working hard today. Yeah, it's very confusing. What do you all think about dehydrated water? That's nothing. That's not real. That's just not real. 1784. GME popping back up here a little bit. Look at these freaking wicks over here. DraftKings puts nicely. Sold for a 55% gain. There you go. CTRM sips coal. That's about as close to energy full as they get to. Yeah, it's just dry bulk goods. That's called sand. Yeah. Can I get AMC Ortex? Yeah. So Ortex on AMC, we've hit this a couple of times. Let's see what we got now. 2.62 million net borrow of shares against it today, and 1.61% average cost to borrow. The utilization 100, but like, come on, it doesn't matter until the cost to borrow gets reflected. Now we have 21.81% estimated short interest, 112 essentially million shares sold short. Oh, what's up, Ian? How you doing? Dehydrated water is gas. All right, people. No, we're not doing science projects on the stream today. No, none of that. The only science project that I have is trying to let my body just heal the cut, the slice. 1780 over here, down 5.37 on Amy. We got 116.77 on Jimmy. Spies moving back down over here. Dehydrated water is oxygen. All right, guys, come on now. There's dehydrated. This is weird. Pour liquid IV on your cut? No. You guys would be terrible caretakers. Terrible. Science project? Blow stuff up. Sorry, I like fire. No. All right, Spy. We got 49 minutes left here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we got. What about rehypothecated water? See, that might be a thing. All right, Oxy. Where's Oxy? Oxy was getting slapped. Spy down about 0.2%, 0.66%. Chop, chop. Yeah, exactly. Are we rich yet? Jack's dad? No, we are not. From Don Julio? No. Amy 1781, just kind of chilling over here. Just kind of chilling, man. Death Water is a brand? Yeah, isn't it just like normal water? What happened to Gabe? Nothing. He's working on some videos to get out for you guys soon. We have 37 minutes until I'm forcefully liquidated. From what? From your spy puts? You had the 440s, didn't you? Wait, didn't even get there. Ah, yeah, 440s. You did good today, man, on those. Amy trying to pop back up here. So is oil. Here we go. No synthetic water for this. Exactly. We're not going to have any of this synthetic water over here on this channel. Yeah. Are we rich enough to buy more Tito's? I'm scarred from Tito's. No more Tito's. I do have a bottle of Tito's in my fridge. I don't think I'm ever going to look at it again, though. It's just, how can I? I'm just, I'm injured. All right. 1786 on Amy, down about 5%. USO trying here. What's oil doing? It's coming back. Yeah, oil's coming back. AMD popping. No, it's not. But AMD could be all right going into NVIDIA earnings. So we'll see what happens with that. Jim, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. At this point, do you see margin calls happening? It would seem that the brokers have let this go too far. They would get crushed as well. Okay, so margin calls on institutions. First thing that everybody needs to understand is that margin calls are never going to be reported to everybody. They're not just like, hey, look, this institution got margin called. They're never reported. Right now, with the way that the SPY's been moving, you could have seen them when the SPY went down to like 420 and those short, like anybody that was long was like on the market was having issues in their portfolio. Like it's possible that like Melvin's getting attacked right now just because they went long only and they have a bunch of Affirm and a bunch of Facebook and they got blown out of those positions. Margin calls are not what you want. You want forced liquidations and forced share recalls, because with a margin call, it's literally just like they could just be like, all right, cool, here's more money and we're just going to keep playing. So margin calls can lead to forced liquidations and stuff like that, but you're never going to really know. You can kind of like deduce it based on like price action and like where the danger zones are and like where people are getting in trouble. But other than that, it's not really what you want. You want forced liquidations to force that covering. Melvin was wrong. Yep. You have 50 leaps for SNDL. Good luck, M Creeks. Margarine calls. Oil back up. 50 leaps on SNDL. I just don't like it. It's not for me, man. It's just not for me. It needs to get above $1. If it doesn't, it gets delisted. Like they could keep extending it, but leap year. Why do we call them synthetics? Why don't we just call them what they really are? Counterfeit. Well, they are counterfeit. You are right. It just depends. Synthetically shorting something is not illegal. Like I could synthetically short stuff right now through derivatives if I really wanted to. You can do these weird derivative combinations where you're synthetically short. Naked shorting, illegal, unless you're short exempt, which is a stupid rule to have to provide liquidity to the market. I think that's pretty dumb. I think as a market maker, you should have to provide that liquidity to the market, like, and not be able to just be like, take the easy way out and just counterfeit shares and then not close them out. I think that's bullshit. You're up on my leap, so you're happy. There you go, M Creeks. You'll never know about margin calls until it's big news. And no, you still won't see it. You'll see like an institution like have problems, and you're gonna be like, oh, they got margin called, like Melvin did. Like a lot of these institutions have been margin called many, many, many times, but that doesn't mean that they have to close out of their position. They just have to put more money into it. What's the significance of the March 3rd of Transparency Day? Nothing. That one transparency rule that the SEC came out with is like 5% of the way that we need to go to get to actual transparency. SPY coming back down now. Just kind of trading in this range now. Amy, 1778. Where's oil? Did it get back above 95? Not yet. 94.57 coming down. Hoping we have a reversal and be green end of the day. Yeah, it'd be nice. It would be nice. I wish I could sell calls and puts instead of getting debit spreads on one side only. Why can't you buy? Oh, I know what you're saying. Zillow tanking? Like bad? I mean, it's selling off, but it's up 7% on the day. So this is probably profit takers coming in. So like if it starts to trend down like this, then you start to see a lot of people taking profit out. I mean, people are going to start to sell this thing going into the end of the day. WTI crude 94.97. No, it's on WTI crude's at 94.57 right now. It's just oil. I think it's oilprice.com. Yeah. Yeah, just chilling here. 15% up on GLD calls. There you go. Do I wax my face? Who the hell does that? All right, SPY. Nothing. Amy, 1776. We're at Declaration of Independence right now. Sold SPY calls. Hope Oxy jumps back, but holding those down 25. Yeah, mine are down a lot, but we'll see. Like Oxy and all these other stuff, they could go crazy. Afros, what's up, man? Could the Fed announce a 0.5% rate hike today? So according to what the Fed has said many, many times in the past, they're only going to raise rates after they finish the taper. Typically, they would do it if they're going to do an emergency cut or a hike. They do it at like 8 a.m. That's what I've seen. You can also type in WTI for price. Yes. What's been the play of the day so far? Okay, so in terms of a percentage gain, it was probably the random SPY put that I got way back here. But in terms of like an actual good solid play, it was Lucid this morning. Those were good. Steve-O waxed his face. That's not surprising. 1781 on Amy over here. Any update on Russia and Ukraine Fed speech? Those are two different things. The Fed cannot do anything about Russia and Ukraine, but they're working on it. I think there's some weird stuff that we're going to see the market move on based on the Russia-Ukraine stuff. That's why I'm playing with oil. And the Fed stuff, they just had their meeting today. I haven't really seen an announcement about it. And Oxy, what's up? Well, yeah, Oxy I have too. Well, Oxy wasn't, I don't think Oxy was a play. It did spike. You could have gotten this and sold off, but like Oxy shark finned big time today. I mean, 40 to 42 is on Oxy's big. Those premiums probably went nuts. Moderna was a great play. Yeah, I didn't get any of those. I didn't want to chase it. There was no crosses on it. I did chase Lucid just because it was out of the gate. EVs were just going nuts. I think these margin calls are sent through the dark pool. Margin call 2 p.m. Is everybody gonna get angry now at that one Twitter account? What happens when your options increase in value past the highest strike on the option exchange for that date with no other strikes? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean there. It's just options value. It's just like how much they are, like how much they're worth. You could sell them at the bid. AMD crossing down or up? Nah, AMD needs a little ways to cross up. Ow. Apple has a ton of open interest on calls that could be hedged for soon. They could. I mean, Apple also has like they typically have a lot and they have a bunch of shares. You almost have to look at like Gamma in terms of like a percentage of the float. AMC bounces hard up 1775 on February 10th. Yeah, where are we at right now? 1776. Yeah, it keeps bouncing off these. I mean, it did come down to 1766. SPY's now moving down. AMD kind of flickering here. USO, what are we looking at here? It's just kind of shitty. Up 20% on the USO contract. Yeah, I think that's about where I'm up right now. They might be like 19 now. Oh, 23%. Cool. All right, AMC coming down. This would be a sick George W. Yeah, what if we just ripped off of it? SPY's coming down now pretty hard. Let's see, 94.67 on WTI. Double bottom buying right now. Yeah. Best play of the day without a doubt was Moderna puts at market open. Yeah, it probably was. I just didn't like them. I didn't want to chase it just because I know Moderna's premiums are usually pretty insane. And if you don't get a big move, which it ended up doing, but if you don't get that big move, you're kind of screwed. Let's see here. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. It just helps out with the algorithm. I think I'm the only one streaming AMC right now. So if people want a place to go, let's try to get past that freaking YouTube algorithm. It's being stupid. And just give some people a place to go. If you guys want to do that, thank you. If you don't want to, perfectly fine. Posture water check. I don't think we can do a posture check. I mean, my chair is all screwed up. It's a rocking chair now, essentially. Let's see. When are you guys going live? I don't know. I don't know if we'll go live tonight. I don't think I can. How many employees do I have? 0. I don't have any employees. All right. USO coming up a little bit here. What's up with Kville? I don't know what that is, but 18% up. Little 1348 back here. Oh, and in the morning. A little right here, and it's just run. This thing's pumping though. What's the news on this thing? I don't know, but this thing's really ripping. SPY hanging out over here. I'm your employee. I don't know. I had to hit the unlike due to no ankle show. Yeah, we'll get ankles at 20. Once we close above 20, we'll get ankles. Riptide. How's SoFi looking? Probably not great. Probably went red, stayed red. Yeah. So it was looking decent on this 1348 up here. I was looking for it to break that pre-market high. It never did. Got out, cut the loss quick, and then it sold off really big. So that's when my paper hands come and save me. All right, everybody. What do we want over here? United States Oil. Quentin, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Hey, check your Twitter DM. Q Moses, I sent you something interesting. All right, let me take a look. Called 18 January 56. I saw fishy, but still a moon run. What is that? What is this? What is that? I'd have to take a little bit of a deeper look at that, Quentin. Thank you for that super, buddy, though. I appreciate that. I'll take a deeper look at that a little bit later. Can we check Ortex? No, that's not even a real Ortex thing. All right, Amy, it might make a little W here. Let's see. SPY moving back up. USO just kind of chilling. Cost of borrow bumped a little today. Yeah, the average bumped up a little bit, but not enough to be like, oh yeah, it's coming up. Like the max is 3.54, the average is 1.62. The current, it says it's at 1.15, but 1.14. I mean, it's stepping up a little bit, but it's not enough to be like, oh, the pressure's getting put on them. Not yet. We would need to see that above like 5%, 10%, something crazy over there to really deter people from borrowing. And then and remember, it's at most of the time, unless you can somehow lock in your rate, which some of them can, it's a variable rate that they're paying. So if everybody starts to short something, the cost of borrow goes up, it screws over everybody. So if I take out a short at like 1%, like get a loan of shares at 1%, but then everybody starts doing it too, and then it goes up to 10%, I now have to pay that 10% too. Let's see. Here comes USO. Whoa, SPY candle. That just killed that contract over there. It just said, hey, that put you have dead. Here we go. Yeah, SPY breaking up a little bit here. If it can get above the 200 with some momentum, that'd be pretty sweet. Amy, 1791. Let's see. Where's oil? AMD is spiking. You've said that a couple of times, and it has not happened. Not really. Or somebody said that a couple of times. I don't know if it was you, but people have been saying that like AMD spiking. No, this is not spiking right here. I mean, it's just like coming up a little bit, but Amy's getting a little tiny pop. SPY's above the 48 right here. How's the AMC option chain looking for this week? Pretty much the same way as it always does. People are YOLOing at the deep. The in the money volumes actually doing. Oh wait, this is AMD. Yeah, the volume at these at the monies is shit. Like, we need more at these at the money, in the money contracts. It's like trying to go up a flight of stairs, but the first 2 or 3 stairs are missing and you can't jump up to the next stairs. The gamma ramp is just not there. Like, it's good at those deeper out of the money strikes, but nobody's buying the at the money in the money. Until we see that happen, we're not really going to get that big backdrop of buying pressure that we really want to see from the market makers hedging those options if we can break above max pain. You want a YOLO Apple? Is Apple coming on? Apple back into its range over here. 1348 cross above the 200. Could be all right here. I mean, SPY's down a little over 1/3% here. Amy, 1786. Hypothetically, if everyone is buying puts and the market maker delta hedging by shorting and those shorts are short exempt, they're not short exempt. What happens to those shorts when they're marked FTDs? Well, they shouldn't be marked short exempt because there's not like a massive influx of put buying. They would only do those types of things where they go short exempt when there's like no liquidity, no shares, or on SSR. But yeah. You just want to call it the $13 strike for late March? Ryan, there you go, buddy. SPY popped. AMC still chilling. I mean, it didn't really. I mean, AME came up a little bit with it, but nothing too wild. I want oil to finish above 95. That'd be pretty cool. Oxy getting busted up, I bet. Oh, Oxy getting busted over here. USO. USO looking solid here. Yeah, BBIG has been range bound all day. Where is it? Yeah, I mean, it's down 3.23. It's tried to break up here a little bit and start to come up. Like, it's got this triple top over here and just couldn't get it going. How can I loan out shares? They'll probably just do it for you. You want to make sure that you have your share lending turned off, though. If you don't want your shares to be used against you to flood the market with supply, that's what you would do. You would turn share lending off. Do you see any life for Viac? I always see life for Viac. They have earnings. Market's not having fun today, though. So that's kind of why. I mean, you could have played this 1348 to the downside on Viac at like 78-cent drop. That's not terrible. But they do have earnings tomorrow, so they could go on a little bit of a run tomorrow if the market allows for it. Batman and earnings in March, yeah, those would be solid. Can we loan out shares at 1,000%? No. Because think about this. If you see like one block of shares that you can take out on loan at 1%, but then you are like, I'll loan it to you at 1,000, nobody's ever going to take out those shares on loan. They're going to be like, no, screw you. I'm not paying you 1,000%. That's crazy. All right. USO coming back up here. I like that. SPY inverse cup and handle on the daily. Well, that's not good. Just bought 2 Viac calls. Good luck, bud. I mean, I don't think 1348 tells you to do that, but if it's a YOLO, you got to be okay with the YOLO coming out. Let's see. U.S. State Department says relocation of U.S. embassy operations in Ukraine does not signal any diminution. Interesting. Of U.S. support for Ukraine was a matter of geography. Wow, they're doing geography over here. All right, USO coming back to life. What are these up? 26%, not bad. Is Viac at open or close? It's at close. If my account was lending out shares, shouldn't I have the right to recall them at any time? If you turn off share lending, yeah, they would have to give them back. Sometimes I was looking at this the other day. Like if you have a bunch of shares on loan and let's say an institution wanted to sell your position, sometimes what they'll do is they'll just find somebody else to loan them so they don't have to cover it and give it back. But sometimes they have to close the position and give it right back to the owner. So it's a variable scenario. So I don't know what they're going to be doing. So SPY right now it's selling off a little bit. USO's looking good here though. Doesn't Webull pay you for loaning out your shares? You'll always get paid for loaning out shares. It's not very much, but you will get paid. Okay. Oil. Let's see here. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering into the stream, make sure you guys hit that like button. I think we're the only ones streaming Amy over here. Let's see if we can get Amy back above 18 by close. That would be pretty sweet. 1792 over here on AMC, down 4.78%. SPY making its way back down here. So is oil. Let's see, does public app loan out shares? I don't think so. The way that they make their money is through like those tips and stuff. So they take it's like Patreon, like they take percentage of that. Neo cross probable. Ooh, interesting here, huh? What do we got on Neo? Neo down 0.63. It looks like it might want to cross here coming back to life. SPY might as well. Oh, Amy 1803. There we go. 1804. Amy getting a little bit of a pop here. I like that. I love to see that. Come on, people. You know what we need? Rockets and basketballs. Run it. Let's go. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. Let's see if we can get that 1348 on the SPY. That'd be pretty sweet. Buy shares of cash. If you have the margin, they can lend them out. They can also lend them out if you have a cash account too. They're not supposed to, but every single time you sign up for a new broker, you basically sign your life away, and they can. It has to be in a written agreement, which they do to you. Which they did it to me on my Webull account when they were just like loaning stuff out. It was like before it was like right like at the beginning of AMC. I was like, why are they loaning shares out right here? I have a cash account, and they just I had to like completely turn it off. And I was like, this does not seem allowed. USO's doing all right. SPY's getting a little move here. Amy 1805 back above 18. Here we go. Amy will be flat end of the day. I'd love to see that, honestly, after this big move to the downside. That would be a lot better than what we're looking at right here, man. George W on Amy on the 5-minute. It is. Not a huge fan of SQ, but it wants to cross on the 5-minute. It's usually expensive. 1348 cross down on the VIX. Ooh, that could send SPY going up a little. USO still looking all right over here. Where's oil? 94.73, just kind of chilling here. Amy 1802, still above 18 over here. Public makes their money off tipping and share. Oh, and share lending. I didn't know they had the share lending stuff too. I mean, they're all gonna do it if they can. Why? I mean, if you're a broker, why wouldn't you? When does retail get a say in how much they want to lend your shares out for? They won't, because here's what the brokers will do. They'll say, hey, we're going to pay you this amount, but we're going to go loan them out for more. AMD looks like it wants to cross up. Yeah? Yeah, it does. AMD is actually looking all right here. Let me see. I kind of want like a little AMD YOLO for NVIDIA earnings. I mean, it's up big today. Let's see if it'll continue. How much are they? What about 125? That's actually not bad. What's it look like on the 4-hour? Probably terrible, right? 4-hour says burn it. 30-minute says it's trying. What's this up here on 21? It was just at 125 though. I don't know. See, everything's starting to move up here. Maybe I'll take one of these just because I want to have something on like NVIDIA's earnings, like a little bit of a run up that we could potentially see. So Amy pop here, 1813. Look at this. Here we go. SPY making its way back up here. Oh, baby. I like to see this. I like to see this a whole lot. All right, I'll get one AMD contract for fun. Good faith violation. I'm going to violate your... Oh, they didn't film me. Oh, they did film me. There we go. All right, so I got a little AMD YOLO for this week. One contract. Very, very cheap. Let's see what happens over here. USOs are up 27% now. That's not bad. Let's see what happens with these AMDs. Amy coming up and testing that 48 EMA over here at 1809. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. All righty. Do you think Viac earnings will affect Disca? They definitely will. They definitely will. So Amy coming up here a little bit. YOLO, we're in this. Nah, I'm playing the run up. That's what I'm doing. I think there could be a run up into, yeah, thank you, Keith. I'm going to play the run up into NVIDIA's earnings and just kind of hold this contract, see what happens tomorrow in the market. I mean, I only have one contract, so if I get busted up on it, I mean, I got to sell it. There's nothing I can do. Yeah, it's a little YOLO. We'll see what happens with it, though. How do you turn off share lending off? Depends on your broker. It all depends on your broker. Amy coming up a little bit here. 1813 down 68 cents. I mean, we could run that. Oh, SPY getting a pop here. Here it comes. Here she comes. GME's coming back up. Oh, it's getting spicy into close. We got 26 minutes left, people. Here we go. This is going to get fun. Come on. Come on. When is NVIDIA earnings? I think it's Wednesday after close. Pretty sure it's Wednesday after close. Let me look really quick. Earnings, which I'm pretty sure it's Wednesday after close. Let me look. Yeah, Wednesday after close. NVIDIA crossing. Yeah, I mean, AMD looks decent over here. SPY, little red candle. Amy, a little bit of resistance at this 48 right here. Let's see what we get. USO, how are we doing on this? Yeah, here comes oil back up. NVIDIA, yeah. Ortex AMC, yeah, it's like 21.82% estimated short interest, 2.67 million shares borrowed. Amy back up, SPY back up. Here we go. Yeah, no movement on AMC's Ortex over here, though. All right, come on. Glad I sold my SPY put at a profit. There you go. I didn't because it was a $26 YOLO and I wanted to have some fun, you know? Fun just crossed. There you go. Who filled the VIX? I don't know. All right. I'm up 1.81% on the AMDs. Nice. I mean, I'm looking decent on the USOs. Nice. Oxy's dead. TLT actually looks all right. My TLT puts and calls are green. This is craziness. All right. SPY just kind of chilling over here. Where's oil? Yeah, 94.80. That's up there. You would be an awesome auctioneer. I appreciate that. SPY trying to do its best over here. Amy, I want to see you go freaking green right now. 1807. Come on. QS earnings coming the 16th. What was that? QuantumScape? Something like that. Zillow, 1348 down. Yep. Let's see. USO. There it goes. AMD. Looking all right. Looks like it wants to cross up here. Wish I sold them at a 300% profit. Happens. You can't top tick it. It's very, very hard to top tick things all the time. But, I mean, if you're putting yourself in the position to make 200%, 100%, you're going to be all right. Amy selling off a little bit here. SPY holding. Amy's at 1801. It'd be nice to hold 18 by the end of the day. Where's USO at? Yeah, USO's good. Maybe I'll sell the USOs, hold the Oxy. I don't know. What are we up on this? 20. Let's see what happens by the end of the day. Maybe I'll sell one. 1804 on AMC. Oil's getting a pop here. That could be interesting. Fidelity liquidated your SPY put after 3:30. They might do that to you. All right. So USO doing good. Amy coming down to the 13. SPY holding up here. GME kind of using that 48 EMA as a little bit of a resist or a support level over here. 4 AMD 136 calls for Friday. That's craziness, but good luck, man. Good luck. Those are probably pretty cheap. Let's see. Rockets and I think we need some rockets and basketballs going into close. I think we can do it. SPY looks like it wants to get a nice little 1348 cross to the upside. If it comes up above the 200, that could be spicy. USO looking solid over here. AMD selling off a little bit. Can Lou squeeze this already? Funny guy. All righty, people. Let's see. Trying to catch up on the stream, listening to VIX 2x speed is almost impossible. Yeah. All right. Where's USO with oil coming up? Yeah, let's see what happens here. Where's oil? Yeah, oil's about to cross back above 95. Coming from a full military family right before Russia attacks, they will likely do a cyber attack to knock out Ukraine's communications. Then you know they're on the move. Okay, interesting. So Amy's getting some weird candles over here, just flickering right in between the 13 and the 48 EMA over here, just like up and right back down. 1794 right here. SPY's moving down a little bit here. USO 66.33, but oil WTI is about to cross above 95. AMD trying to 1348 on the 5. Actually, it just needs to cross and close. Yeah, it needs to go. Yeah, I mean, it's close. It did get a little bit of a sell-off with the SPY coming down off of this, but it is trying to it is trying to get up here a little bit. SPY trying AMD 116.30 up 2.7% today. Still solid. All righty. Cup and handle on Amy. What time frame? No, this is more of a W right here. More of a W. SPY flickering around. Oil. Cross 95 yet? No, 94.95 still on oil. Let's see. SPY's doing its part. AMC needs to step up its game. I mean, SPY's just flickering here. It's probably more following IWM, but Amy's got a lot of sell pressure on it today. Like all those shares that they've been saving on it, they use a lot of them today. Does Russia want some AMC theaters? Apple crossed up. Ooh. Running. Yeah, Apple crossed up and is above the 200 here. It could get Apple with a candle here. Is that going to help SPY out a little bit? Little bit of a help on the SPY. Just I got some YOLO AMDs. Could they run it up after hours without a halt? Yeah, no halts in the after hours. Ooh, AMD selling off here a little bit with Ortex on AMC showing it to close like 21% short interest. It's right around there, right around 21%. All righty. So AMD trying. SPY flickering around here a little bit. Is the war on Russia Wednesday? I guess so. You missed out on Viac, the puts. Yeah, I didn't like it on the put side just because they have earnings coming up tomorrow. You can always see the rundown on it. It was decent over here on this sell off where you get it right around 35. Yeah, I mean it's a dollar move. That's not terrible. SPY trying here. Amy, come on, let's go. 1791 right now. Oh, that's when it's scheduled. Yeah, that's when it's supposed to be. Ukraine not weak. No. Russia will squeeze AMC if we let them have Ukraine. No, stop it. No. All right, USO. Come on, I need to pop on oil into close. I kind of want 94.95. 1789. SPY trying here. I mean, SPY's down. What is it? 0.25%, 0.25% right now. All right. Let's see. Are you doing AMD for NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday or just for fun? Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing it for. Just a hope of a run up going into their earnings because they've sold off so much. If they run back up a little bit, they could go. PPI data, the producer price index. USO just chilling here. SPY die? I don't think it's gonna. I don't think the SPY is gonna die. Be careful with that. It could in the close. We got 19 minutes left. We'll see. When trophy Lou said we already won. I don't know. All right. Amy selling off here. SPY doing the same thing. USO, did oil just cross 95? Nope. 94.94 now. No soup for you? Okay. I'm confused. Let's see if SPY can come up and make a new day high. That would be a lot. Wait, actually, not really. Where's the high on the SPY? 441.60. I mean, that's about $1.30 that we would need to go up. I don't know if it's going to be able to do it going into close unless we really start pumping. I want a trophy. Me too. I would love a participation trophy. All right, what do we got on the news? No, nothing. Amy 1781. USO selling off a little bit here. All right, what are these USOs at? 25%. I mean, I feel like I should just take it because I don't know what's gonna happen with oil tomorrow. I already have Oxy that's getting busted up. But we'll see. I'll wait until the end of the day to decide on the USOs. 95.02 on oil here. Don't get high on the SPY. True. All right. Amy coming down. USO just chilling at 66.30. All right, we got 17 minutes left. See what we're gonna get. Amy selling off, SPY selling off, oil 95.02. Okay. We're right around the Declaration of Independence number, 1776, down 5.26%. It's coming up. Oil is going to 100. That's what I think too. I just don't know when. Like when's that going to happen? Like that could happen like tomorrow. It could happen to like next week. It could be happening a month from now. I don't know. I mean, I have weeklies on USO, so we'll see. You have the best job in the world. I do. I just yell at oil. All right, let's see. So Amy, 1786. Oh, USO got a little sell over there. That's kind of nonsense. Antonio says, dude, what's up, Antonio? 95 flat on oil. 3-day war. Wasn't that like a real thing? There was like a 3-day war at some point. Oil Wednesday at 7 a.m. Bopum, what's oil Wednesday at 7 a.m.? Is it OPEC? Are we getting some OPEC stuff then? Interesting. Maybe we're getting some OPEC stuff then. I don't know. I'd have to take a look. 6-day war. All right, you guys are just randomly saying stuff now. We had some good volume today. Yeah, what's it at right now? 41 million. That's not terrible. I mean, we were coming up. SPY's moving back up here a little bit. Ooh, hold on. AMD. What's going on with AMD over here? Did we get that cross yet? Nope. AMD struggling. EVgo. Is it going? Oops. EVgo. It's looking like it wants to cross. It's above the 200 right here. That's not bad. SPY is just being an a-hole right now. Like, there's really not a whole lot going on today, except for this giant move down. War postponed due to pandemic outbreak. That would be hilarious if they did that. USO selling off here. I don't know. I think I'll hold them overnight. See what happens. Yeah, they're up 21%. 21%. All right. 6-day war. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Truckers don't need a gas to shut down. They just need to park the trucks. It's true. That's true. All right. I'm going to run to the bathroom for 2 seconds. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Give me like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Very, very quick. Well, I'm back. All right, here we go. So, what are these USOs doing? Not a whole lot. Amy, SPY pulling back down. I did. Oh my God. You crazy people over here. No, it didn't boom when I was gone. That's not how this works. All right, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. We are going to be on. We only got like 13 minutes left over here, people. So let's see what happens. All righty. Wash the gashed hand. That one is not getting touched. Lies. I did. Don't worry. Also, all right. So SPY trying to make a move back up here. Where's oil? Oil. And 95 flat. Today's stream is sponsored by 1786.87 on AMC over here. What do we got? Did you boom the rest? Every single time I got to go to the bathroom. You guys make childish jokes every time. Look at it. The SPY might just trade flat into the end of the day. So we got 12 minutes left. Let's see, bro. Your chair just moved on its own. I bet it did. It has to do. It sometimes happens. Can you go hang out in the bathroom? AMC was starting to climb. No, That's not it was not starting to climb. It's only starting to climb when I'm getting back here. So SPY's coming up here. USO coming back to life. Where's AMD? AMD getting hit right now. Why are they doing that to my girl AMD? Uh uh uh. Let's see. VIX doesn't wash hands or ankles. I do. Let's see. I'm the 300ZX guy. You never hit the like button because he desperately begs for it. How about I don't tell you the plays anymore until you hit the like button? How about that? How would you like that? Hmm. Hmm. All right. 1792. SPY's popping back up here a little bit. SPY cross. Yeah, it did cross over here. It's waiting. It's trying to get above the 200. SPY did just cross over here. 1792 on Amy. SPY coming up. You going out too fast? See. All right. Google's popping. I mean, SPY's coming up here a little bit. SPY might actually make new high. It literally might. SPY might go green right now. It only needs 34 more cents to go green. Amy, we're going to need you to do that too. My portfolio is now 100% on $20 calls for AMC next week. There you go. There you go. All right. AMD trying to come back up here. Where's USO? Oil just chilling. Let's see. Apple doing well. Yeah, it's doing all right over here. I mean, with that SPY move, that 1348 cross is doing, yeah, that 1348 is doing all right on Apple over here. Amy selling off here. SPY with a little candle. Exxon cross and moving above the 200. Whoa, 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 whoa. Apple, what the hell is this? Hold on. We got a nice little pop and then everything just decides to shit itself. What the hell is this? Exxon, what's going on here? It's trying. I mean, everything's getting sold off now for pretty much no reason. Is this oil? Nope. Oil's not doing anything. Like zero. Let's see. All right. Just want to know why you defend all the other streamers but let others bash Lou. Well, here's the thing. Most of the time when people come in here and like regurgitate something that he said, it's like wildly incorrect or it gets misinterpreted. So that's why like people don't bash him. It's just joke. We like to have fun. But like you have to know what that is and what it isn't. Is it entertainment? Absolutely. It's hilarious. Is it what you should use for information all the time? In my opinion, absolutely not. So that's just me. When I watch when you guys send me those videos, they're funny. But people then take things as fact and then are like, what's this? And it's like, come on, like, no. And it's just like, trust me. It's like, no, no, no. I'm not trusting anybody. Like here's the thing. Without sources and actual information, that's how we got into this situation. Because then we would just trust the media every single time they said everything at AMC was going to zero. We would just trust everybody coming out and being like, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. No, I don't trust anything without seeing a source and any data or factual evidence to back it up. Sorry, it could be right, it could be wrong, but I'm not going to take it as fact until I see it. Does it mean I don't like the guy? Not at all. I think it's really entertaining and it has a really important point in the movement because it keeps a lot of people interested and entertained. It just sometimes creates a lot of confusion. I don't trust all y'all for the record. That's fine. Don't trust us. Just look at the information and do it and like verify it for yourself. That's the whole point. Exxon coming up here a little bit. On YouTube, it's called creative freedom. Exactly. But the problem is that people take things as fact. So it's not necessarily the person who's informing them's fault. It's how people react to it. But you also have to know how people are going to react to stuff. Exxon's coming up here a little bit. Let's see. Stop popping pills. No, White House Live. That's not great. 1772 on Amy over here, still coming down. USO trying to come up a little bit. Trust me in the fact that I don't trust you. That's fine. All right. There's just things that like somebody sent me a video one time and it was like BlackRock bought shares today and I was like, no, they didn't. Let's see. All bros has to be trusted. It's the law. No, it's not. It's fine. Like, I don't have anything against anybody. Like, I don't care. Like, people like to be like choose sides and be like, "Grr." It's like, come on, dude, relax. All right, SPY flickering around a little bit here. USO doing its thing. Any word on what the meeting was about? Not really. Like we know what it was about. It was like talking about like rate hikes and strategy of what they're gonna do, but I haven't seen anything on it yet. You're up 100% on my STV YOLO puts for okay. All right, 1770. I don't think you are. What's his name? Crazy. I think you would be 1,000%. SB is so damn smart. This guy can lose that. I'm not. No, there are a lot of things that I don't know. But if I don't know something, I'll just tell you I don't know it. Don't trust. No, don't just blindly trust me because I can mess things up horrendously too. Let's see. SPY doing its thing over here. Hence the term closed door private meeting. Yes, exactly. All right, 6 minutes left in the market today. Let's see. Amy's selling off here a little bit. Where's oil? Is above 95. It's close. That's not true. You sit here and say things like they are facts all day. Right, if they're facts. But I'll also tell you guys all the time if I don't know stuff. Let's see. It's short the VIX, not trust the VIX. Exactly. All right, 66.29 on USO. Let's see here. Grandpa Barney, thank you for the super bud. I appreciate that. Grandpa has a saying: take what you want and throw the rest away. There you go. I trust the chat. Nothing but useful information. Sometimes. All right, we got 5 minutes left in the market, people. Things are starting to sell. Let's see. No, they are not. XX Derek, what are you even talking about right here? I pass things off as fact. Like what? You're just making statements with no evidence now. You're making a trust me bro statement right now. That's what you're doing. Like, and I don't even respond to DMs. That's not true at all. Like, come on, what are you doing here? Like, now you're just making trust me bro statements at the end of the day when we've been having fun trading oil and making YOLO options where everybody's making a bunch of money. Come on now, buddy. I think the Lou comment might have just set you off. Like, that's the thing. Like, you might be one of those people that's like, oh, I like him the best. And it's like, that's cool. But like, stop being so like, just look at the information and like what it is. Like, you can like him as much as you want. It's fine. I don't care. War actually looks like it's going to start on Wednesday. Let's see. 1776. Well, you said the hospital is overrated. Okay, fair. That was stupid. Hospital's not overrated if you actually need to go. No, it's fine. You can stay in here. I don't really care. That's not bannable. Like, I don't care. You can act like that if you want to. It's just everybody's gonna see you doing it. Let's see. Down 5.8. USO's coming up at the end of the day here. Where's oil? It's trying. Hospital is overrated. I don't think it is. I just didn't want to go. I was like, I don't want to go to the hospital right now. Holly for 1 minute, everything goes to heck. Let's see. SPY flickering around. USO trying to come back up. According to a reliable source, Grandpa Barney is STV's actual grandpa. He's actually not. 66.33 on USO. These are doing decent over here. All right. So they're only up 23% now. Interesting. All righty. What's my blood type? No idea. No clue. All right. USO coming back up here. SPY's trying to get a little bit of action into close. Can't wait to quit my 9 to 5. Thank you for the super. What are the odds for a turnaround Tuesday? It could. It depends on what the oil stuff is, or not the oil. What the Fed stuff, not the Fed stuff. Sorry, the Russia-Ukraine stuff comes out with, and if the Fed makes any statements, that's always going to move stuff. Let's see. UConn has a good nursing program. Find a hot nurse in training and have her. Getting close to cutting my AMC YOLO. My blood type is red. I learned that last night. It's very, very red. All right, 2 minutes left. PPI data in Russia. Yeah. USO coming up here at the end of the day too. I'm going to hold those. So we'll see what happens with them. They're up 24% right now, basically 25%. So we'll see. Palantir or Tex. I can do that really quickly. I mean, we do have only 1 minute left, I think. 2 minutes left. I don't think it's heavily shorted. We looked at this before and it wasn't that crazy. 6.83%, 6% utilization, 0.5% average cost to borrow. What time does World War III start? I don't know. I feel like we shouldn't make jokes about that because like they actually might invade, but like if oil goes to 100, I won't be able to attend my yearly oil up rest. Okay, Yucca, you're just saying wild stuff now. Don't short the hospitals. Let's see. The president of Ukraine said to himself, the war looks likely for Wednesday. That's weird. Blood is blue. If it's deoxygenated, right? Deoxygenated. Is that how you say it? I think so. I think that's how you say it. All right. USO coming back up here. Yeah, we definitely shouldn't joke about this. All right. Amy, 17. We're about to really close at the Declaration of Independence today. What did Kenny buy? What did Kenny buy? The copy of the. Oh, no. I was like, was it the Constitution or Declaration of it? Isn't that those are different, right? See, this is why I need to go to history class, right? Oxygen turns it red. I thought it deoxidized. Oh, that's what it is. All right, less than a minute to go. We're right at Declaration of Independence, 1776. SPY's coming down a little bit. USO looking all right. GME selling off into close. Oh boy. Deoxidized? Yeah. Let's say. Ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. Those are different, right? Yeah. See, there are some things that I know and some things I don't know and some things I get confused on that I should know. We did. What did we do? I love you, Vix. I'll donate my dark finger if you need a donor. All right, cool, Yucca. I'm down. Deoxygenated. It's definitely not a word. All right, people. That was a fun day. I mean, what are the earnings looking like after close today? After close, we got Avis, Advanced Auto Parts, nothing too crazy. After hours today. But yeah, thank you guys so much. That was a fun day. If you guys don't mind dropping some likes on the stream on your way out, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. And if you do want to learn more about 1348, the strategy that a lot of people are printing with, make sure you check out the link to the free part of the Discord. It's linked to the top of the chat. Make sure you learn the strategy too before you sign up for premium. Because if you get the premium alerts, you are going to get the alerts when the crosses are happening on like 300 to 350 stocks. But you need to know the strategy and the rules and everything that goes in behind it. So learn the strategy first. And then if you want to join premium, awesome. But other than that, guys, shout out to all the mods. You guys are awesome. All the people that are just being supportive. And then who else? The members, you guys are awesome too. Thank you guys. That was a fun day. Even though it was a kind of shitty day in the overall market, AMC was down a significant amount. We had a good time. So all right, guys, that is going to wrap up the stream. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the way out, just helps out a whole lot. Other than that, everybody, peace.